Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Well, boys and girls of all ages, welcome to the January 2026 edition of the ChicagoTIUG group. Congratulations to all of those who have made it to 2026. Some of us haven't, but that's another story for another time. At any rate, we're here today in beautiful downtown Evanston, Illinois. We have a pretty full crew today. Most of our members are here. Most of our attending members, I should say, are here. Let's go around the table and introduce a few people, and everybody wave your hand. Let's start off at the far end. I don't know if you're on camera or not. Vic Stirrup, our president, there's his hand, our president. To my left is, and I always want to say Brandon, but that's his screen name, David Benke. David, wave. Back in the back is Erwin. Erwin, what's your last name? I keep forgetting.
So do I.
Oh, okay.
Erwin, so do I.
That's Erwin. Who's here on time for a change? It's absolutely
What
amazing.
nationality is that?
With the light colored hair, next to him is John Benke. John, would you wave? No, John wave. That ugly guy next to him, that's me. That in the corner, with
You
his
forgot to
brand
wave.
new, with his brand new haircut, is Kyle.
Buzz cut.
Well, Scott. John Mark next to him. And something fuzzy here on top is our mascot, I guess.
Lucas.
That's Lucas. And I think that's the full roster. Did I miss anybody? Is anybody not on camera or under the table or anything? All right.
Jim.
Jim, you left Jim out.
Oh, Jim, I'm sorry, Jim. There's Jim.
Hello.
It must have been the lack of hair.
Yes, or the fact that I just blend in with all the tech junk on the table.
I have to tell you that I'm a little under the weather and have been for several weeks. So if anything's missing here, it's the mind. At any rate, John Benke has provided us with a little light humor to start the meeting. And says, read at your own risk, you have been warned. So if there's anybody out there that is like Cynthia Becker, easily offended, I suggest that you turn the sound off right now. The joke goes like this. An old man goes to see the doctor about his lack of excitement in the bedroom. After talking, the doctor hands the man a jar and says, I need a sample of your sperm in this jar by tomorrow. The next day, the man returns and gives the jar back to the doctor. Where's my sample? The doctor asks. Well, first I tried with one hand, then two hands, and I got nothing. So I called my wife. She tried with one hand, then two hands, even her mouth, and she got nothing. So she called the two young men next door. They tried with one hand, then two hands. They even tried with their mouth, and they got nothing. And now the doctor's looking a bit weirded out. And the old man says, yeah, no matter what we did, we couldn't get the lid off the damn jar.
The bump.
The bump bumps.
I've got
You
a,
can turn the sound back now.
I got a joke.
Okay, technical difficulties, people.
Someone's got it.
Uh-oh.
Did I hand bound?
Yes, because you pounded too hard, you dropped my laptop bounced off the table, and now we're upside down.
We're having
I don't know my own strength.
a technical issue, folks.
Well, you might say this is a related issue.
Yes.
96-year-old man goes to his doctor to get examined before he gets married, just to make sure everything's okay. Doctor asks him, how old a woman are you marrying? He says, oh, she's 26. Doctor says, are you crazy? A thing like that could result in death. Guy says, if she dies, she dies.
Okay, let's stop pounding on
I'm not
tables.
touching the table.
I'll just do the noise.
We can move the viewer over to the
No,
right about a
just-
foot.
I don't want to screw around, let's just
Okay.
be careful.
You don't want to.
So what's the state of the group, Hal?
I think the group is healthy. I think the group is healthy and
Fair
actually growing, which is really nice. I mean, we're down from 371, which is the size of the group when I first joined back in, 1980, 83, 82, something like 84, somewhere, I can't remember, somewhere in the early 80s. And when John was just a skinny teenager, and, but we're bigger than we've been for a while.
Yes, I am.
And I think we all are. And we are in pretty good shape, I think. We are planning for the fair for next year. John has already come up with a poster, or if we can figure it out. He's also, on the back issue, okay, this is on the left-hand side. I don't know where the camera is, there it is. On the left-hand side, you'll see the 1933 World's Fair poster. On the other side, on the right-hand side, is, as I'm looking at it, is this year's fair poster, Chicago TI International World Fair. It's gonna be on the October the 24th, 2026, and I hope to see it. Right here in beautiful downtown Evanston, up on the 3rd floor, and in the Falcon Room, where it was the last couple of years. We found that that's a very convenient place for us, and it suits us. It's large enough for us. It has everything we need. It has tables, chairs, projection screen, and all we need are people to come. So if you're making your plans, it's October the 24th, 2026. There'll be a list of available hotels. There'll be a list of all of the restaurants available. We'll be announcing where the get-together on the Friday evening is, where the banquet will be, and we'll even tell you where the survivors' breakfast is going to be. We won't tell you where the infamous pub crawl is going to go, because they keep closing and opening new bars.
Is that the same thing as the pub crawl?
No, that's the infamous pub crawl. That is the
So that's
infamous
different.
trademark, infamous pub crawl. And if you haven't been on one of those, you're probably not scarred by the way some of the people who have been. Many people have actually gone on the infamous pub crawl and go on to live perfectly normal lives. But
whether they wanted to or
again,
not.
not everyone, so. But, that's about it. I think the state of the group is good shape. We have a good show, today.
We have an icebreaker event, TI
Ah.
Jeopardy.
Aha.
Then
Yeah,
I
tell
got,
us about that.
we're gonna play Jeopardy, but with TI questions. We have multiple categories: TI history, TI games, TI third-party games, TI apps, a lot of TI stuff. Famous Chicago TI user group members, and true or false. People who are, so we got 4 people here. Hal has to play, so pick a color.
Green, whatever.
Green works. Who else wants to play? Who's a Jeopardy fan? I need 3 people here, so don't fight over it.
I'll play.
You'll play, what color you want?
Yellow.
Yellow. This Dave. 2 more people? Over here, anybody?
I would suck at this game.
You would suck? I need somebody.
I don't know the TI that well.
Well, then you lose, but you can play. You wanna play, Vic, or somebody wants to play?
For anybody else who
Yeah,
wants to
let Vic
play,
play.
I don't want to take it away from him.
Vic is the expert here. You just got-
Oh,
Okay,
We should just marine volunteer, take
Since-
a sit back and leave Jim in front.
since Vic is the president, we'll have him go first. Okay, the categories are, and you're gonna have to try to remember these: TI history, TI games, TI third-party games, TI apps, famous Chicago TI user group members, or true or false. So pick a category, Vic, and whether you want 2, 4, 6, 8, or $1,000. The bigger the amount of money, the harder the question.
Well, I'll go for 4 for aftermarket games.
Is that TI third-party games?
Yeah, third party.
400 TI third, okay, here we go. TI third-party games. Okay, in this game, you control a small insect-like creature called the Bug Blaster. It's moved around the bottom areas of the screen and fires small darts at an enemy, advancing from the top of the screen through a field of mushrooms. And what is this game called?
What is entrapment?
Didn't hit your button.
No, anybody else?
I have no idea.
No? Or this is not gonna go real well. Centipede?
Oh, centipede.
Ah,
Mushrooms.
oh,
Yes.
mushrooms.
Okay, Vic, go again.
All right.
TI history, games,
Even I knew
third-party
that.
games, apps, famous members, or true or false?
True or false?
Okay, how much money?
400.
$400, true or false? Okay, $400 for true or false. Okay, here we go. After offering a $100 rebate on the TI-99 4A, it quickly became the best-selling home computer in America, controlling by the end of 1982 approximately 35% of the market, selling 150,000 machines a month. Was this true or false?
False.
No? Anybody else? David?
True.
True. $400.
Thank you.
David, you control the board.
All right, could you read off the things again?
TI history, games, third-party games, applications, famous members, or true or false?
I'll do applications.
TI applications, how much?
400.
400, everybody likes 400.
Only because I couldn't remember the other numbers.
This fast fourth system on a cartridge for the TI-99 4A computer provides a fast, efficient, and easy-to-use development environment for the TI-99 4A. What was this fast fourth system called?
Is that, a Turbo Four?
Yes, it was, $400. You control the board.
And it was in form of a question.
I'll take true or false for 25 cents.
Okay, $200, okay, true or false. The TI-99 not the 4A, had a chiclet-style keyboard, partially due to the fact that some of its designers came from the TI's calculator division.
True.
True it is. You control the board.
Famous TIers,
How much?
400.
400, okay, here we go. Everybody loves 400 today. Famous TI members. Former president, frequent contributor to 99er magazine, programmed the original Chicago TI user group BBS software. He was one of the core members of the group in the early days and helped shape the group into what it is today.
I can't think of his name.
And we give an award for him.
Wrote the, I know, can't think of his name.
Sam Pincus.
Oh.
Okay, you still control the board.
The next level, whatever the next level is.
Famous TI members?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Programmer of numerous and popular utility programs for the TI. He was an outstanding asset to the Chicago user group and the TI community. A famous award was named after him and is awarded to members who demonstrate overwhelming dedication to the TI community.
Branch Schmalmeyer.
No,
No. What's the other award?
Branch
John-
Melgenhauer,
John-
program,
John Burgwall?
yeah, but you already answered one, so you still control the board. Yeah, how many
John
programs did,
Birdwell?
yeah, oh, he gets it. Dave, you control the board.
All right, this is John Birdwell.
The John Birdwell Award.
Oh, okay. yeah.
Well, Grant didn't do it much programming, did he?
I have no idea, no.
Dave,
I'll take games for 200.
TI or third party?
TI.
TI games, thank you. For 200. In this single player shooter, the player is faced with an enemy fleet, 11 creatures wide and 5 creatures deep.
Space Invaders.
No,
Parsec?
no,
Oh, I know. I'm an idiot.
The other
I should get
invaders.
half.
the player
credit.
moves a laser shooting at a grid of enemies.
I should get half. credit.
It was close. All right, is that, do I hit?
Yeah,
No answer.
What is, I can't think of the name of it.
What is TI invaders?
David, you still have control of the board. It was TI Invaders, Space Invaders.
I know, I laughed. I'm an idiot.
David, go ahead. What's next?
I'll take games for 400.
400, there we go, okay. In this game, the player must climb the side of a mountain.
What is Alpiner?
Yes. Okay, he's on a roll.
I'll take games for 600.
600, he's going right down. Okay, inspired by the arcade game Berserk, the objective of this game is to navigate your robotic detective through a 4-skill level, 128-room maze of electrified walls. The ultimate goal at the end of this journey is the Shadow's Lair. Anybody can buzz in?
Borzorg?
No.
No?
What is?
Well, what is Dungeons of Daggeroth?
No, this is an actual TI game. Okay, Seamus.
All right.
David, you still control the board.
Yeah, he used
Games for
daggers.
800.
Okay. In this game, you've been sent to defeat the vampire Count Dracula by the local Transylvanian villagers and must obtain and use items.
Castle, what is, haunted castle, the,
What is?
Okay, anybody else? Must obtain and use items.
Dracula's Castle?
No. Must obtain and use items from around the vampire's castle in order to defeat him.
text game.
Yeah.
The Count.
The Count.
Oh, there you go.
Jim had to be. Dave, you still control the board. You're destroying.
All right, I'll take,
He's not
Because
playing
Dracula is a
Caesar.
licensed product.
Well, he kind of had it, but he didn't have the right game.
I couldn't think of.
Jim, you're not playing because you're a ringer.
The ringer.
I'm not.
Dave, pick one. Pick one.
Can you give me another category?
Oh, TI history, third-party games.
TI
yeah.
history.
TI history. How much?
Oh, no, I'll take true and false.
True,
I
false.
want more points.
600.
Yeah.
Okay. TI's TMS 9918 video chip with 16 kilobytes of video RAM was later used on the widely popular Nintendo NES system.
False.
Correct? False.
ColecoVision?
It was ColecoVision, yes. David?
I'll take the same for 800.
800, pick it easy. TI was working on a 5 megabyte hard drive before the system was discontinued. This hard drive would have retailed for $750, an almost unheard of price for such a large hard drive for its day.
True.
No?
False.
Hey, you put it out! You did it! You
got
did it!
Yeah.
You did it! Al, pick one.
True or false?
1,000.
Oh,
You got 50-50 chance. The speech synthesizer was an expansion module for the TI-99 computer, directly leveraging the same speech tech from TI's Speak and Spell learning toy.
True.
It is true, but you didn't, I didn't even get to the question.
Oh.
Additional cartridges were planned that would plug into the unit and expanded speech technology. But you got it anyway.
True, yeah. True.
Okay, pick something else. We're out of true or false.
Famous,
Famous members,
yeah. whatever.
200 or 800?
That'll make it easy, 200.
200, okay, 200 famous members. An enthusiastic supporter of the Chicago TI user group and the fair, so much that they named an award after him. He was a retired paper cutter, was
Great shot of mine.
David stole it from you.
Yeah.
David, you're
You
up.
can do that?
Yeah.
Well, he said it on a previous answer.
You know, Jeopardy, anybody can buzz in.
Yeah, anybody can
It's
buzz.
whoever's turn it is just picks the category.
Ah,
So, yeah,
I'll take the same category.
800. Extremely knowledgeable programmer, he made numerous contributions to the newsletter, produced the hardware reprints manual, and helped program the Chicago TI BBS.
Shameless self-promotion.
who is John Bacon?
No.
No.
Former president, his wife was the, Butch Goldstein?
No.
Hmm.
Dave?
Nick Iacobelli?
Yes, Nick Iacobelli.
Ah, very good.
He actually programmed all the assembly routines that were used. I programmed the basic.
His brother,
Could not speak English, but could write
No.
good spaghetti code.
Okay, Dave.
his brother Dan is actually watching. He's just said hello in the chat.
Oh, hey, your brother just, hey, hi, Dan.
If you're
Your
still
brother is the
watching,
topic of conversation.
Dave,
Let me switch it up. Give me another category.
TI history, TI games, third-party games, applications,
Third party.
third-party games. 200?
Yeah.
Okay, make it easy, third-party games. Sorry, I should have let you do it. Okay, third party. In this game, you must eat all the dots inside an enclosed maze while avoiding 4-colored ghosts. Eat.
What is Pac-Man?
Pac-Man it is.
If that would have been this Pac-Man, I would have had to applaud you.
John, pick a category.
Oh, category, all right, true or false for 1,000?
There's nothing left on true or
Oh,
false.
there's nothing
There,
left.
there, I'm sorry, I should have
Okay,
closed it out. We don't have daily doubles, so don't worry about it.
All right, TI history for 200.
TI history for 200, there we go. This computer was released in 1979 and featured a calculator-style keyboard.
I was gonna say the TI-99, but that's too easy. I'm gonna say the TRS.
No?
TA 99-4.
Yes.
Oh.
I knew that. I said I was gonna say TI, but that can't be the answer.
It's a TI. That was nothing but.
Jim, you're up. Pick a category.
Oh, God, I don't even know what category.
History, TI games.
History.
History, 400, okay. Texas Instruments hired this actor in mid-1982 to appear in television. Who did it first? Al.
Bill Cosby.
Bill Cosby it is. He's on a roll. What do you want now?
History.
History again. He's going down history here.
Again.
Here we go. The TI-99-4 was released in June of 1984. Was released in June of 1981 with a simplified internal design, full travel keyboard, improved graphics, and a unique expansion system. This relaunch followed this competitor's computer by several months.
Commodore?
I need more
Computer.
specific.
Commodore, Vic Commodore. Commodore Vic.
Close enough. Big 20. We'll give it to him. Jim's like, it's not the right, it wasn't Big 20, it's a dummy, it isn't
I
it?
mean, you should punish him for knowing that.
Dave, you're up.
I'll take the same category.
You know a lot about the Vic 20, not so much about the TI-99.
Apparently. In 1977, TI commissioned a third-party contractor to design and build a personal computer, codenamed Mojo. The contractor used TI's version of this popular CPU. You know, Jim knows. Everybody?
What is the Z80 microprocessor?
Close, but the Intel 8088, apparently TI had a version of it, or must have been licensed,
Well,
right?
Intel designed the 8080 and 8080A, I think, but essentially the Zilog 80 Z80 is essentially was designed by a former Intel employee who actually contributed, who designed the 8080. Federico Fagan.
I was writing assembly code for it until 80.
They're essentially binary compatible. The Z80 has enhancements.
David,
What?
is it your control board? Nobody got it.
Oh, is it? Okay.
We're down to only a handful left.
I'll take applications, I guess.
Applications, TIFs, 200, okay, here we go. This cartridge allowed one to actually store small programs in the cartridge. It also came with a
What is a mini-mem?
mini memory, yes.
Oh.
You said mem, so does that count?
I don't know
Jim is
how
the
fussy it
judge.
used to be. I think most people refer to it as the mini-mem.
Okay, so, okay, Jim
So
says,
if he was,
the
if
judge
he
says
was, if he
acceptable?
was in TI marketing, then he would be penalized, I'm sure.
Go ahead, Jim.
I'm Hal.
Al.
Other Jim.
Al, Jim, Al.
I don't know,
They all look
give me a category. and-
History, TI games, history, TI games, third
History, I
party.
guess.
History for 1,000. Here we go.
It's gonna be hard.
It'll be hard. The TMS 9900 CPU had some performance issues because of its unique memory-to-memory architecture. This lower cost CPU overcame some of these problems, but they were unable to use it.
What was it, 9918?
No, that's the video thing. Dave?
TRS?
No, well, that's the beginning, I need the whole name of it.
I'm just kidding, I was gonna answer that.
It's supposed to be hard because it's 1,000.
Someone already answered a question similar to, with a similar answer.
TMS 9995.
I said
What's-
TRS.
That's TMC, but no, the whole point is that this was supposed to be in the original chip and would have been better,
Yeah, they made
but they weren't
enhanced,
ready in time.
enhanced versions of the TI 99, the TMS
Okay,
990,
Hal again?
9900.
History's closed, so it's either TI games, third-party games, or apps.
TI games, not my game.
1,000, here we go.
Uh-uh.
Tunnels of Doom, based loosely on a tabletop role-playing game, Dungeons and Dragons, is a dungeon crawl in which players navigate a maze of tunnels. Originally intended to allow add-on games, this module came with a starter game called Pennies and Prizes, and a second game which was called
Pirate's Isle or Pirate?
no.
Quest for the King.
Yes, very good. 1,000. Vic,
There we got one.
there we go. Vic got one there. Okay, Vic,
1,000 too.
Oh, geez.
we're down to 2 third-party games and apps.
Apps.
Oh, we have one famous TI member one left. So you want apps?
Yeah.
Okay, apps for 600 we'll do. Okay, this cartridge for the TI-9948 home computer was developed by Texas Instruments in 1983. It enables the TI to run educational software from a large-scale computer-based learning platform created at the University
Plato.
TI Plato Interpreter. Very good.
Very good.
Really? For the TI?
Yes, they're the only platform that had actual licensed Play-Doh
Okay, next,
courseware.
same
In other words,
same
you didn't have
category
to
or
use the
different one?
online
Yeah.
system, you could run it
Okay,
right off the
applications
TI.
for 800. Okay. In contrast to most basics found in microcomputers, TI Basic does not trace its history to Microsoft Basic, but was instead developed in-house following the emerging BASIC standard being created by ANSI, A-N-S-I, and ECMA. This was in turn based on this version from the 1960s. What version of BASIC from the 1960s
You know
was
this,
TI
John?
based on?
You know this,
I
John
do,
Mark,
I
hit your
do.
buzzer.
What is Dartmouth Basic?
Yes, there we go, see, this thing you know. Okay, pick, we got
All
5
right.
questions left. Apps, members, or third-party games?
TI apps.
For 1,000, here we go. This module with a totally new and updated design by Chris Schneider and Gary Bowser.
Personal record keeping?
Okay, Dave.
This is gonna
Yeah,
be,
personal
I
reference.
think this is now going to be a regular bit, right? Where
Okay. This module with a totally new and updated design by Chris Schneider and Gary Bowser contains a ton of expanded capabilities along with full widget compatibility and up to 1 megabit of EEPROMs. In addition to standard TI Extended Basic, the module includes a suite of enhancements. It was featured or demonstrated at the fair.
What is the micro PIB peripheral expansion box?
No, it's 838 SXB multi module. It's being advertised in our newsletter.
Was it at the last fair?
Was
Yeah,
it this one, yeah?
Where was I? Sleeping?
I was
something
sure-
like that.
I was looking at that. 'cause
Okay,
the
who
word
picked
process
that
there.
last category? Was it Vic? Vic
No.
picking? Oh, oh, John, right? John, you picked.
John Mark.
Okay,
John Mark.
4 left.
TI third party for 600.
Okay, here we go. This game features a Mountie named Bounty Bob, who has been chasing a criminal in a series of uranium mines. The object of the game is to complete all levels of the mine. To complete a stage, Bob must survive the mine.
Minor 49er?
Close enough. Mine are 2049er.
2049.
Thanks.
Okay, Dave?
It's the
Three left.
future, the future.
James remembers.
Members, I guess.
1,000 famous members. In September 1980, the Chicago TI user group, CTIUG, was formed by this individual as the first TI-99 user group in the United States, and he became its first president.
Gary.
Who?
Gary?
Anybody else, or,
Who is Scott Adams?
Sam Pincus?
no? I don't know, Jerry Strauss, is that who you meant?
That's who I meant.
Oh, okay, well, no, as long as you're honest, that's fine. No, that's fine. You said Gary, and I'm thinking Gary
No, I
Bowser?
don't deserve 1,000.
Well, no, is that who you meant?
You can't
They
give
were
a, you
1,000,
can't give
I'll take
a
it.
wrong answer.
I'll
and
take
say,
it
"Well,
for
I
no
meant
good
that,
reason."
give me the point."
Alright, yeah.
Give it to the spider.
Okay, Dave. Third-party games for 800. We got 2 questions left. Okay. This collection of games created using the Tunnels of Doom editor were made for the Tunnels of Doom module and were packaged as a set sold by Asgard Software. It was later followed up by versions 2 and versions 3. What would this collection of Tunnels of Doom games called?
Doom Games 1.
Yes. There we go. And since it's the last one, Vic,
Oh, gee.
third-party games for 1,000. Enter a massive, sprawling world of wild forest, frozen plains, misty mountains, scorched deserts, and endless oceans. Explore cities, towns, and villages to rest and recover as well as buy equipment. This amazing game is still being sold today and is the only TI game being sold on Steam.
What is Legends?
No.
The only game I know.
Colossal Cave.
No. Realms of Antiquity.
Ah,
Okay, everybody add up your own points. You're on your honor system.
Oh, God.
I got 1,000.
You got 1,000, okay.
If I'd known there was gonna be a quiz
Ooh.
afterwards. 400,
Well, I think John has the most points.
800.
You were saying something, you were saying the Plato
28.
terminal emulator
Not,
for
not,
the
not a terminal.
3,200. Anybody can beat
Courseware
3,200?
System.
course.
I need a
no.
Yes.
no.
So
David
the
must have about
primary goal of
5,000.
No, I got
Plato is to
2,400.
do computer
2,400?
assisted learning.
Okay.
So a number of courseware programs were developed. And for most people, you'd have to run a Plato terminal,
1797,
connect to the
200,
online service to use
You're a
it.
jerk.
Whereas they license those to
4,200.
run directly
Oh,
on the TV.
Dave's the winner, you're second place,
Here
right?
is a rare card.
So it doesn't necessarily run as in a Plato term, but it runs,
Ooh, wow.
That's a rare
He gets a cup.
TI Plato cartridge.
probably
No, Dave
runs
gets the cup, he gets
a,
Oh, I
cost.
get the cup.
No, he
There's
gets the cup, he gets
also-
everything.
You get everything.
A set of EA5
Here. you
What
get
was
these.
second place?
programs
Stickers.
that
Oh,
runs,
That's his
that,
own. There's one
an
magnet
editor
and a bunch of
assembler
stickers.
that
so
mimics
that
that
one
card.
probably, that card basically
Keep one.
provides some type of
Yeah.
virtual machine
Oh,
interface.
okay.
Yes,
Probably,
whoever played.
Aye.
probably similar
Alright.
to the, I forget what the language that they used for on the Plato system is called.
So this is just the interpreter now, the course would load in some other way?
From either cassette
Can
or
you pass the
disc.
little squares back to me? so I can see
I've
them?
got,
That's heavy. Is
Yeah,
there
'cause-
that much
I think it's got
hardware in
6
there?
grams in it or something like that.
Right, there's,
6 ROMs?
yeah, because it's basically implementing a virtual
Yeah.
machine.
What do you guys think of
environment
TI
to run
Jeopardy? That's something to
courseware.
do against the future?
Yeah, that was an interesting game.
That was fun?
I like that you can come up with a different sheet each time.
Right, and still
Yeah.
use the squares.
Well,
You
you
got
gotta
a
have
whole
different
Plato
players next
collection
time,
on
otherwise.
that,
Yeah,
like
As
25.
long as Jim doesn't play.
Oh, is this my prize?
I haven't given out
Yeah,
a
you got a
disc for a
sticker.
few years.
hey, how did I get a sticker?
There.
You got a nice sticker
I
for
got a
you.
spot for it too. Cool.
The reason I did that is because the cup was better than the award, so I couldn't
Oh.
give second place a cup because this cup was better than the dude.
I've got my bobblehead. I've got my bobblehead museum sticker right here.
There you go.
Something there from Bubba hadn't
Make
been
sure I got all
involved,
my
man.
stuff here.
Wow.
That's in, is it Milwaukee?
You got everything on there. You got, Plucky Fork or whatever that is, Mystery Doll.
Yeah,
Jim.
that's at Woodfield Mall.
I just went there,
Oh.
last month we went there, where they have,
What's the-
where the escape
Tudor,
room is.
yeah.
Yeah, we just did that, it was fun.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
yeah,
probably
but-
a tutor interpreter or
On
something
that,
similar to
yes,
that.
under
implemented on the
libraries, along
cartridge.
with the interpreter that runs.
So there was an
the 85.
interpreter that
Oh,
was
okay.
designed for designing courseware on
Thanks,
Plato, it's called
I know you sent
Tutor.
me a link,
Ah.
so
And
I
I
was
think the
playing with some of
cartridge
the Play-Doh
implements some
games.
Anybody
subset
use
of
an
Tutor, so
iPad,
that they could run them
running on
on
iPad?
courseware
2 or 3
modules
years
I'd like to
ago in
get
directly
February,
on the hardware.
Pictures.
we were upstairs
I'm-
on the
they
second or
keep
third
telling me that
floor,
my
and we did a
cloud is
rather
full,
big Plato
93% full.
demonstration.
So I thought I'd take all
So
the
if you go
pictures
back through the
off, 'cause
video
they use
files,
up a lot.
You should be able to find it.
And I'll put them on a flash
You
drive.
think the graphics are too
How do I do
limited
that?
on the
Just
TI,
go
but
to
they did a pretty darn
iCloud.com,
good
and
job.
then you log in
Are we
And
with
of course,
the
we're
Fine.
carrying
whatever
them
your
around.
information is on your phone, and then you can just
I'm
download them
making
to your
fun of
computer
them.
and delete them.
Well, I wanna download it for
It's
just a
still
flash
relevant
drive.
today.
So you would
It's
log
still
into the
actually
iCloud, and then there's
Yeah,
like
it
photos,
didn't
just
get
like in your phone,
obsoleted.
on your iPad,
Yeah.
and you can
I don't
do
think they had a
download
current
all, and
defense,
it'll download them to
section
a
in
zip
there.
file, it'll take like 2 hours, but then once you have them downloaded, yeah, you can just click delete and
I
it'll.
started to learn how to do Morse
Oh,
code on
then
it.
delete off the
You know,
iPad.
Morse code.
so-
Well, on the same thing that you just downloaded from, then you
You're
just click
gonna
delete on
start it
there
up
in your
and
browser
everything?
on your
I
computer,
guess
and it'll
you
just delete them
Give us
off
a
the
minute to
iPad.
finish
so you
I
up
don't
wanna
have to
what
save
we're
worry
them,
doing
about
I
it.
and
don't wanna,
then
I don't
hand
wanna
off.
lose the pictures.
Yeah,
They
you'll
all had
have
trouble
them,
with
do-
source
do
code
they-
in the military,
The,
because they would give you
A couple
random
years ago,
assignments
and
of
I
letters
still
in
do,
Morse
but-
code.
the
And you
one
had to
thing
write it
that
down
if you plugged a memory
So you
stick
couldn't
into
deduce
the
what the
power
rest
port
of the
of the
word
Apple,
was.
you still have access to it?
And so it was all this,
If you,
well,
let me see yours,
the
how old
barracks
is
he
it?
slept in, he
You
had
got- what kind of
steam heat
connector
with
do
a
you
bad
have?
It's
regulator.
got a,
So all night
lightning
long,
connector, I think.
he's listening to,
So, I wish you could do it, I throw away stuff better
It's
than
Yeah,
that.
like-
I've got the original one.
Pam,
I've got the one,
yes.
the very first one.
I've
that
thrown
came
away
out.
better ones than he has.
I have an
And
iPad
if I
1,
could-
and
if
I use it
could
as a
get
mouse
that one
pad.
working, there's
He's got a
It's
new
not as
one.
easy as I thought.
John, he's got a new
But I've
one.
got a device.
If you have a memory stick
Well,
that plugs into lightning
if you
connector,
know-
an adapter that'll
if
do
you ever
it.
read Sherlock
let you
Holmes,
download
the
it
case
to the
of the
memory
dancing
stick.
men, he
It won't let you
deduces
do
what
anything
this
else, but it'll
code
let you download it
is
to the memory stick.
by the frequency
So I
of
can-
letters used in
If you have
English.
one, that's fine, otherwise you can
And
get
the
one for you.
original
Do it for you next month.
linotype, the
I've got,
semi-automated
my
typesetting
wife's got
machines
one
used in
that's
printing,
got two things on it.
had
It's
the
So
got-
you could
keyboard
not only
set up
develop
most
the courseware, but you could
USB-C
test it.
and,
to least
the
frequent.
yellow one.
Well, it's
Yeah,
really
yeah,
intended
So
to
it
just
was
play courseware.
regular,
EATONI
um,
Standard
SHRDLU.
USB.
Most of that was
Like
provided
first
by
10
the
letters
Plato.
across.
And if you do that, in theory,
So any
you
kind
were
of
able to
hangman
download it.
In theory, yes, there were development tools
EATOSI.
provided on the
You
original.
can't do
Plato.
it, Plato will
That's the
do it
most
for you,
frequently used
you know,
letters.
next month or whatever, just bring the
Okay,
stick
yeah.
with
Like
you.
STRLN.
Yeah.
And make sure you got room on the stick.
In
yeah, how do you know how much,
I've tried to use a Play-Doh
Alright,
emulator, but I
exactly.
don't get very far.
Okay, what's next on the agenda? What's next on the agenda is the BBS demonstration. It's all up to, it's all
Not really a
together.
BBS demonstration, but a telecom demonstration.
What he said.
Continued. So Victor, if you please, get us set up with the terminal. We're gonna be using, I guess, telco at this point in time. I can help you initially, and then you can, you know,
Drive it.
yeah, you can take
Are we
over
gonna
from
be
there
using-
once we get everything connected.
Are we gonna be using the telco on the cartridge for this?
No,
Or
on the
just-
disk, on the Nano PEB.
Okay, so we just need extended basic.
Yeah, I think that's the only pre-requirement for it.
Okay, I'll put that in.
I think we ran it successfully under RXB at some point,
All
but
right, well, RXB is letter E, and we'll go with B.
worst case scenario, if it doesn't work under RXB, we can
Go
always
ahead,
fall
you got the
back.
hot seat.
Okay, let's see if we can get ourselves connected.
Am I sitting in your spot?
I'm just by you, so.
Yeah, this was exciting for me to see this,
Oh, you went to Target to get the
Press
goodie
the
box.
N key.
Yeah, they
So
gave
did
it
I.
away. I didn't know they were giving it away. She said, you want a goodie box? I said, sure, why not?
Doesn't say how big they are.
Let me double check, I think
It's
we
got a lot of
saved
stuff in it,
the
actually.
configuration last time, but I
A protein donut.
always like to check.
Unless the 5 videos are real long. Videos take a
No,
while.
they're real short videos.
Yeah, it's-
In some way, it's a little skinny, but-
Download and keep
Okay, that's nice for highlights, and so people at home know what you're.
Okay, I think we're ready to go. Anytime you are, John Mark?
Okay, ATD?
Yep. So we're gonna attempt to connect to John's system, John Mark's system.
Okay, guest? Oh, it's maybe just enter to get, there we
There
go.
we go.
Guest?
No banana at the end of that?
Is this that same diagonal box?
No, no,
No,
that,
no,
I
it's,
got that
it's, the
here.
problem is here, hang on, alpha lock was on.
Problems behind the keyboard.
Hubcac.
And guest is the password.
Sorry.
User error.
Says you don't have an internet connection, that's why it's not working.
Try it again, and you said the password is again?
Guest?
It's not very good password.
Now the world knows it.
Okay, so do you wanna take over from
Yeah,
here, John
sure,
Mark?
sure.
Watch out for the
Years ago, but I talked to about.
Do you have
cables
an
and
idea of what you wanna
paraphernalia.
show off?
Yeah, I wrote a game.
It's all running on Windows 3.1.
I wrote a game. I started out writing a magic square solver.
Let's be quiet and let John Mark
Paying them a lot of money for that, 'cause
make sure the camera picks up his voice.
it's
Across the camera.
Go ahead.
earning a lot of money from it.
You were
It'd be
saying,
more expensive.
I
to
lost
try
my
and
screen,
migrate.
didn't I?
well, yeah, but I thought you were going to say you wrote a game.
Oh, okay, yeah, I wrote a game.
Keep the conversation
For-
moving.
Um,
Okay, John Mark?
I wrote it in Python actually, but it works through the modem into the terminal so that you can run it on the TI 99.4A in a 40-column terminal. And it's a magic square solver, and it's basically a tic-tac-toe board with the numbers 1 through 9, and you can only use each number once. And all you have to do is have the numbers add up to 15 across, diagonal, and down, all at the same time. So that's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 different ways it has to add up to 15 all at once. And there's 8 solutions to this puzzle. And this will help you solve the puzzle. If you make a mistake, it'll put a little X or something next to the number to say this number doesn't fit here, based on the majority of filled in numbers.
Okay.
Oh, that's what
There
it is.
All right. So this is basically a Linux. I'm basically logged into Linux.
Before you get too deep in that, John Mark, do you want to give a quick overview of what we did and how we're doing this connection-wise? Because I think that's sort of the magic of what we're doing today. That if you were listening, you heard modems squawking in the background.
Well, what we have is a TI computer running a terminal emulator, and it's got a serial port going to a modem. The modem is going into a simple little phone system, and the phone system is then connected to a second modem that's connected to a serial port that goes into a Linux computer. And so there's a simpler way to do it, just serial port to serial port. But we're kind of trying to recreate a dial-up service like you would use back in the 80s. So while we're only traveling maybe 10 feet, this would also work with a regular phone system. You could be calling another computer in California and doing this. So just trying to bring back some of the 80s nostalgia.
You'd have to have a landline to do this, though, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, it depends. There are certain digital telephony protocols that can still handle analog digital, but things like SIP-based voice over IP, that tends to be problematic because it's lossy, uses lossy compression, it has all sorts of delay. So, while it would be possible to do a telephone connection over the modern internet, it's probably less than ideal to do it with a old analog modem.
So this is Star Wars.txt. I'm listing this little R2D2 out. So it's,
Sorry.
Sorry,
this
not
is
sorry.
Magic Square Puzzle.python. So I'm now executing Python code. This program will help you find a solution to a 3x3 magic square. The idea is to arrange the numbers 1 through 9 into a tic-tac-toe board such that each row, column, and diagonal add up to 15. Each number can only be used once. There are 8 solutions to this puzzle. This is an example of G plus E plus C should equal 15 diagonal. And it gives all the 8 different examples there. Type the letter of the square followed by the number. To place the 5 in the center, type E5. So that's just an example how to run it. And a 1x to 9x means the number does not go in the square based on the position of the other numbers. Right answers add 100 points, wrong answers subtract 10 points, hints subtract 25 points. Press enter to continue. Okay, so now we're ready to start. So the first thing we really have to figure out is where does the 5 go? So do you want the 5 in a corner, a pocket, or the center?
Anyone care to answer?
Center?
I'd go center, yeah.
5E. Okay, that works. There's no X next to the 5, so that works. So now the next thing is that 1 and 9 have to be opposite to 5 to add to 15. So where do you want to put the 1?
Upper left corner for 1 or 9.
A1. Okay, there's an X next to the 1, so it doesn't go there.
So try 9 there then?
Try the, put the 1 in the,
In a pocket?
center row,
Yeah,
left side.
okay, so D1?
Yeah.
Okay, that works. That works. So the 9 would be opposite, so that would be F9. All right. So 2 has to be opposite the 8. So where do you want to put the 2?
Would it go in G then?
All right, G2.
No.
That's odd. I would have thought that would have worked. Okay.
The A?
Yeah, try it. Yeah, 8 and A.
A2. There must be something wrong with this.
Ah,
All right.
we'll fix it in the next revision.
Maybe B2? C2?
Hey, there
That's
we go.
funny. Why? Oh,
It
oh,
should accept the
Diagonal?
mirror. Oh, no, it can't accept the mirror image. 'Cause
okay. So
It
the
has
8,
to be, yeah, 90 degrees.
the 8 has to be opposite the 2.
Yep,
So G8. All right, so the 3 has to be opposite the 7. So where do you want to put the 3?
H?
No, it can't be.
Where? H?
H or I, right?
Okay,
That can't be-
so-
it can't be I.
So H3. All right. Ooh, that works.
Oh.
All right, and so 7 has to be opposite the 5 from the 3, so that would be B7. Okay, so now we're left with only 4
Six.
and 6.
A is 6, right?
A6?
Yeah,
A6?
I4.
That's
Excuse me,
right.
where's this game actually running?
There's a Python program running in Linux on that laptop over there.
So it's actually running off the Linux. and
Yeah,
Communicating with the TI.
Right,
That's
this would have been like similar to playing a game on a BBS
So it's
or,
not like you
online
downloaded it
system.
to the TI, it's actually talking back and forth with each other.
yes.
yeah.
Okay.
All right, so the only thing left is the 4?
Yeah, I4.
So I4. Okay, so we won and we got a score of 860.
Yay.
Where's the prizes?
I thought you were in charge of the prizes.
Oh, only for my games.
I can reach inside my box and give you a prize.
No, that's not.
Well, it brings back a lot of memories of 2400, 8N1, all of that time, yeah. It's been years.
So I'm using the cat program as to list out a file. You can list multiple files, you can concatenate multiple files together, but I'm only listing one. It's called dr.txt, and it's really Dr. Seuss.txt, but I don't want to have to type Dr. Seuss on the keyboard. All right. What if Dr. Seuss did technical writing? What?
Uh-oh.
Oh,
You can probably use the Control Q, Control S to pause,
oh, I see.
because it's, doesn't have a page pauser, or you can run it through less or more,
Right.
provided you've got the line set up correctly.
LESS doctor.txt.
Wrong terminal.
Oh. MOR.
More is probably going to be Control C if you want to.
Oh, it did work. I hit too many keys.
Yeah.
All right. Spacebar.
We have to read it out loud,
Yeah,
and you have to do the lilt.
with
Along
the
with it.
proper cadence.
Oh.
Da 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 da.
Can you see it? LESS dr.txt. And it says wrong terminal, press return to
Yeah,
continue.
so it's going to probably just run in more mode.
Spacebar?
Okay,
think
so
you-
what
think
if
you need to
Dr.
adjust the
Seuss
lines,
did
but-
technical writing? One of those many forwarded pieces of internet humor, I don't have the slightest clue who credit with ownership, but I think it is quite funny. Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. If a packet hits a pocket on the socket on a port, and the bus is interrupted by the very last resort, and the address of the memory makes the floppy disk abort, then the socket packet pocket has an error to report. If your cursor finds a menu item followed by a dash, oops,
And the double clicking icon puts your window in the trash.
put your window in the trash, and the data is corrupted because the index doesn't hash, then your situation is hopeless and your system's gonna crash. You can't say this, what a shame, sir. Well, find you another game, sir. If the label on the cable on the table at your house says the network is connected to the button on your mouse, but the pocket wants to tunnel on another protocol that's repeatedly rejected by the printer down the hall, then the screen is all distorted by the side effect of Gauss. So your icon in the window are a wavy as a souse, then you may as well report and go out with a bang, Because as sure as I'm a poet, the sucker's gonna hang. When the copy on your floppy's getting sloppy on your disk and your microcode instruction causes unnecessary risk, then you have to flash your memory and you want to RAM your ROM, quickly turn off your computer and be sure to call your mom.
I saw this,
Is that Dr. Seuss?
It is a Dr. Seuss-like,
I saw this
Poem
in
that
the,
somebody
in
wrote.
the pulp, newsletter or newspaper that they used to publish, oh, Christ, 40 years ago. I saw that, being published. They had, in the center section of this thing that came out, I think monthly or weekly, there was always, something, there was a column, the loser's manual, something like that. It was always, stuff that was published. It was quite often in verse. It was usually humorous about, computing. I used to pick up it was a giveaway, published in newsprint. It came out all the time, and I still have some of it nailed up on the wall of my office. Some of the poems that were written like that. Pretty funny. I didn't understand some of it in those days. I understand even less of it today. But it was very well done. I used to try and read. There was one guy that wrote all the time. He was a professional programmer, and he wrote always in BASIC. I always read his column because it was the only thing that I had even a glimmer of understanding. The rest of the stuff, they used to talk about lands and WANs and on and on and on. Stuff that I didn't understand at the time.
You understand it now?
No, I understand less now than I ever did. I've forgotten more, John, than I ever knew, which is, a negative number. What can I say?
Yeah, I've got a small book that I picked up somewhere that's full of short stories and maybe a little bit of poetry regarding the computer hobby. Maybe I'll bring it in sometime.
Oh, yeah, I'll put it on the agenda. Then I'll have a reading from Jim.
Doesn't have to be a reading, I'm just saying.
No,
if
you got a
you
reading
wanna-
from Jim.
Would this be newsletter material?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Are we Butcher Club?
Oh, yeah. Jim's
If
Poetry
it's
Corner.
computer, if it's topical computer.
I've been
and
trying to get
TI,
Jim for 2 years to write for the newsletter, and I think I got him now. Jim's Poetry Corner.
Do you guys see the?
I don't know how much poetry is in the book, there's at least short stories in there.
Short stories read by Jim.
Do you see?
How do you do that in a newsletter?
You see,
Typed by Jim.
you see David Kane's?
Ripped off by Jim.
Newsletter?
Which one?
Are you on the mailing list for David Kane's newsletter? User?
No, I don't get anything.
It's quite extensive. It's a very good
Do
newsletter.
you still publish it?
Oh, yeah. And, it doesn't come out monthly. It comes out, I believe, quarterly. And he sends it to me. And, it's amazing newsletter. He's got.
Is it better than mine?
It's different. It's different. It
Oh, that
is.
means it's better.
Okay, John, do you have any, John Mark, do you have anything else to show us?
It's different.
Yeah, just,
Well,
let's switch back to John Mark and so that he can finish his demo.
Oh, sorry, guys.
I know, we wander.
Okay. You
I
just
blame
flip
myself.
this, go to the TI.
Okay. There's a program in Linux, it's called BC, I think it stands for Basic Calculator. And I wanted to compute pi to 100 places, I believe. So what is that
Well,
called?
we all had it memorized.
Pi.bc. So if I do something like this, pi.bc, this is pi worked out to 100
Absolutely
places.
no warranty.
The last 3 digits, I wouldn't recommend them.
Memorize it now. Also, I think BC is binary calculator, so you're gonna probably have some binary error in there perhaps.
No,
Well, we're
it's,
gonna have a
it's
quiz
an
on this
arbitrary
later.
precision calculator.
Next month, we're gonna
It's-
have Pi Jeopardy.
But the last three digits of pi, when you compute to 100, I think I'm computing to 103. So just throw out the last three digits there and you can trust it.
You read the last part aloud.
3.14, 159.265 and on like that.
Jim, you wanna read the whole screen?
I do not want to read the whole screen.
Well, Lee Baluli came out a few years ago with a pi calculator where you could tell the program how many decimal points you wanted it to go at. And of course, the TI is double precision accuracy, but it ain't that quick. So asking it to do a very high number of outputs is asking a lot.
I
Yeah,
thought the TI, the only thing the TI, I thought the TI was actually fairly quick in floating point. Or am I,
no, I think that's all
Just very
interpreted, because there's no
accurate.
hardware,
Just
no
very
hardware
accurate.
floating point acceleration,
okay.
so. And if you're doing it in console
So,
basic,
in other words,
it's
I
gonna be
remember an
extremely
opposite. It's
slow.
very slow in floating point.
It might be faster in extended basic because it might be running on
Kind of
the
running
native
through-
CPU code,
Yeah, it's not running through ground.
yeah.
So here I can tell it to calculate pi to 10,003 places. And then, is there an up arrow? Can you, or maybe I'll just have to type this out. And I just want to find the arctangent of 1 times 4. Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007.
Please wait.
12, 5,000. Does this do text
You
pictures?
need like a print shop screen where it goes thinking.
Maybe 10,000 was too high.
No, it's
Next
10,000 was
month we'll
fine,
have
it was the
the answers to
10,003 that did it.
Yeah,
Yeah, next month we'll have the answer to this.
please tune in again. No.
I love this. This is free software with absolutely no warranty. For details, type warranty. And it'll probably say, there is
I
none.
told you there was no warranty.
Yeah, it'll
Why
slow
do you
you.
keep asking, you know?
Where's it say yo-ho?
Yeah, type details and see what happens.
I would like to know what, if you type warranty, what it says.
Yeah, let's type warranty.
It's, I don't know how to
Speaking of,
interrupt
isn't
it.
it?
Yeah.
Try Control C,
Oh.
because you are,
Controls on the left.
whether or not it's gonna send it is another matter.
Hmm.
Nah,
Is-
type warranty.
Well, he doesn't have a prompt, command prompt back.
Oh, I know how to do it, hold on, guys. Alexa, stop the program. Does that work?
Turn it off and on again.
Alexa,
Siri, quit that.
Siri, quit that.
No, it hasn't given up yet. You might try tapping the control key a couple of times and see if it'll abort. Try Control Z to background it, see if it'll do that.
Ooh, that's really serious.
Want me to pull the plug?
This is like 1983.
Or I can try doing it from the console there if
Just
you're.
have fun by pressing the keys. See
Oh,
what-
oh,
Hey, here we go, all right.
Oh, it dumped it.
Okay, start reading, Jim.
Yes, a lot of numbers on the screen.
Well, this is going back to where it was calculated.
Yeah, it finally finished the
There's
calculation.
still an error in 32, yeah. It's,
So how do you know if it's accurate?
The last three digits are never accurate.
Jim, what was that 14th line again?
Now you might be able to hit Control C if you don't want to watch the whole number calculate out. It's
Well,
just printing.
10,000
we used to do
characters
this
is
with a
nothing,
pen and
Shouldn't
and
be
a
that
piece
much.
of-
How come
10,000 on a
Why did it
40
stop?
column
Is it restarting
display?
over again? Why did one line so short?
It only does 70 lines at a time, and this monitor only does 40 lines at a time.
So,
Oh,
Okay,
my God.
but how do you spell warranty?
WARREN,
No,
ANTY.
ANTY.
W-A,
Well, I think you're still in the binary calculator, so you need to,
Exit out of that.
yeah,
W-A-R-R,
A,
you need to exit out of the calculator. Oh, there you go.
this,
without warranty, without any warranty.
You know, could we do pi to 20,000?
Have received a copy.
We could, but it would take a while.
I'm
It
just
would-
joking,
It
man.
would, it would probably take like
More
a,
time
an
than we
order of
have.
magnitude longer.
Okay, this is,
Okay.
Did you get the copy, and receive the copy of the GNU, General Public License? If not, you have to write to Free Software.
We're
Fund.
still-
And it's version 3
Yeah,
no
we should
there's
less.
one guy in a room.
We should write them and say, we didn't get the copy.
Yes.
I'm sure, and then they will ask you for a charitable donation.
I keep sending out self-addressed stamped envelopes to, all my comic books, you know, from 40 years ago, and I don't, never responds.
Yeah.
I send the 50 cents.
Did you mail in your warranty card for
I
the
sent-
TI today?
Yeah, I'm still waiting for that, but I send the 50 cents in,
You ever
you know, and I
those-
get, I'm waiting for my sea monkeys.
Ever get your submarine?
Yeah.
With the baking soda, yeah, I got that, it's flipped upside down, but I'm still waiting for the sea monkeys.
When I get these
You're getting
envelopes,
hungry, too.
asking for a contribution with a the business, thing on there, I always lick it and send it back. It's empty, but it's gonna cost them 3 or 4 cents or 10 cents or whatever it costs for them to
Right.
get that. If everybody did that, pretty
They
soon
would
there'll
stop.
be scams, you know?
Did you ever do the thing where you put the person who you want to go to in the return address, and then write yours in the middle, and then don't put any stamps
Oh,
on it?
that's scary.
And then you-
Yeah,
Does
Well,
that
you don't
work
want-
still? You stick that in
You
there
don't
and then
really want
return
to,
it
you
back to
don't
the,
really, you don't really want to perpetuate the cycle if you can help it. But what you can do is, when someone sends you valuable coupons in one, you take those valuable coupons and put it in the other one and send it back.
There's actually a country in Europe that just stopped mail. You guys hear about that? They
Stop mail?
Yeah.
yeah, it's called Chicago. But
Was
theoretically, they're
was it
still.
Norway
posting
No,
it.
they don't stop mail, they only steal mail.
Steal mail?
Yeah, steal mail.
I'm thinking Sweden, I don't know.
Or
one
simply
of those
fail
up
to
there.
deliver
Why,
it.
why
I
are they
ordered some
stopping
from
it?
Amazon, they
Because
send
don't have
US
enough people
postage, right?
using it, or
And it
what?
says your package will be delivered
They
today, and then I gotta
still
think from, oh, I'm sorry, next week.
They
Yeah.
still will do mail, but it's a different, it's like a courier service that delivers mail. They don't
Probably
have a
twice as
national.
Yeah, it's probably
Okay.
twice as expensive.
John Mark, anything else you'd like to show us?
I think that's it.
Well,
What's on the
We're on
screen
to-
now? What is this showing
This,
us?
this is Linux.
Got a
I'm
history
doing,
of what we've done?
well,
Oh,
I
you've
just
got
find-
you've got root access to his Linux machine. What kind of damage can we do?
Oh,
Yeah, this is an
nice.
LS command.
You know, when I was going to
which
Lane
lists-
Tech, we were all connected downtown to the mainframe computer,
Uh-huh.
and we figured out how to erase like Schurz's entire
You
library.
shouldn't say that,
So we
because
would
that
go
might
and-
still be a felony, and
So, no, it's the statute of limitations is over, so, but we
not
go
for
there,
felonies.
we would erase their entire library, because there was no protection.
That's all right. You told us that once before, and it was already on camera, so.
Oh, was it?
And you did not get busted.
Uh-oh,
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah,
Hey,
Yes,
Victor,
but I'm sure
Victor, you're
somebody
up.
just wrote a note.
Game
It's like, when I
demonstration
need to,
number 1.
Mark
By
number
Vic.
2.
Oh, really?
Yes, you're on the clock.
Oh, gosh. Well, we're trying to
Didn't
get
Chris
the,
just sign a law that the insurance companies or somebody isn't
okay,
liable anymore for
disconnect.
Epic?
Oh, you did disconnect. Did you give it, did you give the 3 pluses? That everyone is
Did I?
familiar with? Too late, you've already done it.
Thanks, John.
okay, well, thank you, that was a
Thank
great
you, John.
demonstration.
I'm sure there will
Okay,
be more
Super
telecom
Bordercon.
tricks in the future.
It
Well-
seems this meeting is devolving into more of a social club instead of focusing on hardware and software related to the TI. There's so much more going on out there in terms of development out there. I'm sorry, Super Bordercon, we're doing the best we possibly can.
Now, I was
Is
able
that
to
Wally?
develop,
I don't know.
I think that's Waleed, isn't it, Bordercon?
I don't know.
I was able to develop this code in Python much quicker than having to learn TI assembly and write this in assembly language. Like, I was able to find out that this wasn't a very fun game. It's fun to play like about 3 different times, but once you get the hang of it, it loses its recurring funness. It's not like solitaire. It's
Right.
like you play it 3 times and you won't want to play it for another year, you know?
Now, you knew Python before you started, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so, but you didn't know TI assembly before you started, so
Mm-hmm.
obviously you would program in a language you already knew as opposed to one you'd have to learn.
Yeah.
That's probably why it took you so much less time.
But if I could find a game that had repeated play funness, then it would be worth putting into assembly language or something, you know?
Yeah, it's, Well, there's always zeros.
It's just
there.
being broad.
That's my favorite game.
Zero that?
Zeros, if you press the key one time, you just watch this thing and it'll go on for half an hour and play itself. And that's my speed.
You love that game.
I love Zeros. It's the only game I actually ever play, ever.
A stellar endorsement from Hal for Zero Zap.
That's it, yeah.
Get it now.
For all you really lazy, non-programming types, Zero Zap is the game.
HD 2.5, okay?
And
We're gonna
I'll
change
sell you my
discs here.
cartridge for $1,000. And Vic will deliver it anywhere in the world for $1 million.
Uh-huh.
For 1 meeting.
$1 million. We'll even take it up to Minneapolis for Vorticon.
Well, on a serious note, Super Vorticon,
Super Vorticon.
there's a lot of stuff that's going out in the TI community. Unfortunately, we're not privy to everything that's going on out there. And we can only go by what we have here available in Chicago. I know that there's other groups around, but, you know, like if somebody from the other side of the planet is working on hardware, how are we supposed to feature that? You know, we'd love to.
Well, here's something from Vorticon. Vorticon, we would like you to create a game, since you are a very adept programmer, we'd like you to create a game for next year's, or this year's, take it back, this year's Chicago TI International World Fair. You've done a number of them in the past, and we appreciate it, and we would like to have another game from you, or a port would be excellent. And we're gonna hold your feet to the fire, or we're gonna ask you every month how the game is coming, and all those other programmers out there that also would like to contribute. We would love to have some new original games or utilities or something that we can present. We'd like you to come and present it in person. That's what we really like to do. We'd like to have everybody come with some new software and present it in person. And if you'll get in touch, we'll be more than happy to pencil you in. So there's my plug for the fair.
Or come to our meetings.
Or come to the meetings as well.
Or no, he said he doesn't like our meetings in the chat.
No,
So don't come.
Come in, and we'll let you
Sure.
bring our off-color jokes.
Yes.
Well, he does have a little heart next to it, so he might be sarcastic.
No, he hates our meetings,
no.
don't watch.
And if he comes, he's gonna probably buy another few rounds of the infamous pub crawl.
And
We know about that, and
Yeah.
we love him, and we do love him.
We do the best we can.
we love him, as mean as he is.
No, he's not mean at all. He's a,
So why did he write our meetings suck?
Well, he's got,
he
he's
didn't say suck, he said.
got a heart next to it.
He said
This
that.
is more of a social club.
He said it, well, it is.
It is a social club.
It's
Pride
a
of
family
sex.
organization now.
Right.
We're a family.
Yes.
Like the Manson family?
Yeah, we're all family.
But wait until you see my,
TI
Dr. Wait till my Dr. Who prop comes out, you're really gonna love that one.
Aye.
Show and tell.
Show and tell time. I think Vic
Okay,
is up.
Vic,
Yeah,
you
well,
ready?
for a demonstration here, since we were talking about the Plato library, it's a couple hundred discs that are proprietary. You can only access them correctly with the Plato interpreter cartridge or the Plato EA5 files that are on the Chicago Fair giveaway discs, which has the complete Plato library and the Plato interpreter.
510.
Yeah, so here's the first disc out of the package. As it says, we're running on a genuine Plato cartridge here, so you don't see hacked by whatever or any cute phrases like in our February meeting from 2 or 3 years ago, where I was running EA5 files. But this is basic skills math, basic number ideas, program package numbers 10 to 1,000. Press enter to see the menu. The whole number is drill. the whole numbers tutorial and additional studies and select another diskette. So we'll go through the tutorial first. Press redo. Let's look at redo then. So it's nice to give credit for everything. Press back for a short review. Back would be function 9. And they throw in some graphics too. So Hal, you want to read this out for everybody? Do you have the?
Today, CTIUG, this is your goal, to learn more about the numbers between 100 and 1,000. Press enter. Here's some blocks. Congratulations. Watch me count them. This is obviously not for, say, third-year college students, but.
No, this is the first disc in the package. I'm
Now, is
pressing
there, is
enter.
there,
Or maybe it's for a college student after they've been impaired at a party to see just measure how impaired they are.
that could be, or maybe, well, since they've been dumbing down college for years and years, maybe this is for the
Yeah.
guys that have only gotten 1,500 on their SAT.
The intro to.
Before they allowed calculators in classes,
Yeah,
they used to
something
go
like
to
that.
Plato terminals.
Two
and
tens and four
calculator
ones, or
program,
124 blocks.
classes.
Oh, this is
You know, I
Plato.
didn't have
Yes.
this in this.
Oh,
This is be- I mean, this is
This is at
basic
least the
math, so
courseware side of
children that,
Plato.
But it's
young
not
people
red.
that may not even be
It's
able to
not
read
amber.
text.
Take the
What's
number
the
of blocks in this.
Oh, and I think it.
And it asks you, it's interactive,
Those
it's now
now
asking
100
you,
in there.
so if you don't
How
get
do you
that.
get the
Now
24?
you notice the words on top are 124 spelled out, not numerical. And you gotta type it in numerical. So it doesn't quite give it away completely.
How did you know there was 124?
I'll give you a little
It
hint.
looks like 126 to me.
100, 2 tenths is 20, and 4 ones.
So for all you
Oh,
first
okay.
graders, if you're still hungover, there's a.
But the first graders couldn't read the text, so then,
You got 100,
I got it,
2 tenths is 20, and 4,
yeah.
okay.
And 244?
No, it says 46 blocks.
No, 124.
Wait a minute, have we just been tricked?
I think we found the first error ever in Plato.
Isn't it 146 down
Four
below?
How did it get to be
And 6
146?
Down below.
100.
Oh, the
Or-
bottom, I'm looking at the wrong picture.
Oh, I see, oh, this is the
Oh.
second, this is another problem, oh.
I'm looking at the top, not the bottom
This
image.
occurs.
Okay, now we got 149,
160,
we got 100, try out.
69.
169.
169,
Yeah.
okay, try that, yeah.
All right.
I'm not very good at this.
That's a girl, right? She looks all like a sexy disc.
Check the number of blocks in this set.
Going through
We're gonna-
dry
we're
spell?
We're gonna send you to mental hygiene class.
He's interested in what goes round and round.
Okay, 300s, 110, and 5 ones.
Keep your
There are
attention.
315 blocks in this set.
Three
Okay, how many are in this set?
10, 16,
430,
30.
300.
7.
I'm always one behind.
Fine,
I like a great job, but okay.
yeah, really.
That's
500 and
560, 560,
Mhm.
am I getting that right? Oh.
6.
Or just,
Great,
Okay, I
okay.
win, I wanna
We
quit.
got two right in a row, so,
shouldn't it be 500 and, oh no, these are tens.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is that supposed to be a person's face on the corner? Or is that just some kind of a
Yeah.
image?
608, yeah.
Oh, yeah, because these are ones.
Oh, those are ones?
Yeah. It tells you up here,
Yeah.
see hundreds, tens.
Obviously, I missed that
Let's
part.
do something different.
I
So
thought
this
there
is
was
an
more
example
vector
of,
graphics.
education on Plato. I mean, they got
Vector graphics.
chemistry, they got geography, they got
Sure, of course, you can't. do
mathematics, they
vector
got English
graphics on a
language,
display.
composition of
You can draw lines,
words
but it's never gonna be a
and
vector graphic.
sentences.
Morse code.
But the idea being.
Well,
that
where
you
is
can
this
run
later
server
from?
on
We
do have
anything,
Morse
'cause, I mean,
code
even back in the day, they were playing.
in the
vector
Tiger
graphics
Cub
on
library.
Oh, maybe that's what I'm
For-
thinking.
Yeah, they got
computers
Morse
and
code
various
practice.
things.
I think it's on the same disk
Oh,
with
okay, so
the
it's like a government
ship's
created thing.
flags.
Yeah.
So
It's
how
actually
do
Where
very
all
common
those,
now.
yeah, where all those different
Uh,
flags.
University.
Sorry, we didn't get many
Which
more
is-
Christmas
And,
programs
yeah.
thrown after all that work we did
Earth to
preparing it.
Oh, sorry.
It's CDC,
But,
owns
CDC,
Plato.
yeah.
Yes, well, they
Tiger
were,
Cub libraries.
they were a contributor, I don't know whether they actually owned it.
So,
They basically
That's
provided the hardware
okay.
for the project.
So 111,
I've never seen it before.
right?
I had the,
Type A
I had
equals-
The thing I like the
Yes,
most were
to
the
get into
orange
the main
plasma
computer.
terminals.
I gave it to
They
Barry
were so
Miller.
easy on your eyes.
You can't type it.
Is the computer still up for this?
There is,
Mainframe.
well, there are two things that I'm aware of. There's Cyber One,
I think it's
which is a
111,
community
isn't it?
based around
You've
the
got
original
100
Plato
plus 10 plus
community.
1.
And then there is IRATA Online,
I can't
which
type
is
hundreds.
designed to be a
Type A,
platform
okay.
for classic computers to do.
So what happened?
Okay, so
More
there's like
Plato
clones
stuff.
out there.
Yeah.
You can get the whole
Type
thing
A
from
again.
Dr. Eric Gray.
The software is available,
He's
there's
on
there's a
flash
common distribution available, it's designed to run an emulation on a CDC machine.
So are people still doing something in the Tudor programming language?
Don't know about that, but my guess is some people tinker with it from time to time. But
0A.
Eric Gray put everything on a flash drive and was giving them out for a while. He did it originally for his kids.
What happened?
And interesting guy, he was a helicopter pilot in Vietnam, and then he went to
Doing the
Emory University, got
hexadecimeter or
his
what?
MD, and has been practicing for a number of years.
327, so it'd be
I used to,
A,
I used to be in communication with him quite often.
A, B,
Isn't that 4?
C. Yes, it is.
I think you have an extra.
Okay, well, I'll just do it wrong. Get a, yeah. 327, A, A.
I hope that's not adding on to what's already there.
B, B. And done.
I don't know about you, I find this challenging, just to concentrate on what you're doing.
I don't understand why you typed all those. I mean, I got the 300, but then 20.
See, it was adding on to.
Yeah, I didn't know how to delete that.
Oh, yeah, I don't either. Okay, now
Okay.
we could try it.
A,
Oh, okay.
enter, A, enter, A, enter. Okay, and then
Now you have 400.
5 of those.
Where's the number you're trying to create?
it's the black one at the top there. It says now make a setup for
451.
50.
Oh, I can't even see that. That's
And
why
then
I was wondering where
C.
you're getting the numbers from.
Yeah.
And then D for done.
Can't even see that.
Press enter. That's it.
All right.
Wow.
So that's an example of the Plato educational system for the first disc in the series.
It's
So,
even good for elderly, or anybody to get their mind going.
yeah, if you ever
People that are
wanted,
starting to have Alzheimer's, to see if they
Yeah.
can still do
It was
it.
originally,
Yeah.
Brain games,
it was
right?
originally, for grades, I think, 1 through 10. I think that it was originally written, or maybe it was the second year of college, with some of the courses, the chemistry and things like that. And obviously, it will not teach you the full curricula, but it will, it's an introduction to a lot of
it's
things.
intended to strengthen your skills
Exactly, it's a
and
drill.
give you an introduction to
Yeah.
different
And,
subject matter.
We've done, over the years, we've demoed this a number of times in different levels. And we've had some fun with it and learned some things, actually.
Yeah,
Um,
I like it.
So remove the disc from drive one.
Like chemistry and physics, oh god, don't get me started in that class.
Careful.
I tried taking it in college, physics, and I was a senior and I had one science left I had to take, so I picked physics just for the heck of it. Thinking, oh, I can do it. And all the people were freshmen in there, and I had to drop it, it was so hard. It was physics 101, I could not comprehend how it worked. I'm like, I don't get this, and all these
Here's
little
the-
17 and 18-year-olds knew it.
Well,
They're
how,
like,
Here's the
how,
Play-Doh
how strong
library,
were you
find
with
the
your
disc you
higher
want me
math
to
at the
run.
time?
terrible.
Yeah, well, that's probably why. You
Uh,
had a
try
bad experience.
the,
Yeah.
That if your
PBS
math level
series
isn't
called The
sufficiently high
Mechanical
enough.
Universe on
Oh,
the
I used
YouTube.
to watch that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
well, I
it's
mean,
good.
that used to be, you
Even
know,
I can
on
understand what that
PBS.
guy's trying to say.
Yeah, I used to watch that.
Yeah, he tries to explain concepts of physics in plain English with, you know, actual real world example.
Yeah, so I wouldn't mind going back to like physics or chemistry as an older person, actually try and learn it. You know?
No, I never took chemistry. I did take physics in high school. And in college, I had to take a math course. My loving wife dragged me into the classroom
It was an
every
8 o'clock class.
every day because I hated it so bad. There was a guy named Bernard Stubblefield. And
What a name.
old Bo, as everyone knew him, played the, how can I put this in today's society? If you've ever seen the Disney movie with Uncle Remus, he was Uncle Remus to the core. The guy had a PhD, and I'm afraid to do the imitation, but he treated us all like we were in second grade, and then he gave us these incredible formulas to try and figure out. And did I pass that course?
Yeah.
Did I?
You got a better grade than I did.
Well,
only
I
went
think
half the
that's, what-
time.
I think copied off the reel,
Yeah,
but,
right. But my
God
father
only
told me,
knows
my
how.
father, who
I
was a
think I cheated.
physicist,
I must have cheated because.
and got the
it was
first
mathematics
rocket to the
and-
moon out with his gyro, told me, physics is easier than chemistry, take physics, and I,
I got a Play-Doh disc there, which one would you like? Apparently I put a non-Play-Doh disc in the drive.
Are the white piece pages are Play-Doh?
Yeah,
Let's do, grammar.
okay, flip it over to my key, what disc is that on
On
Play-Doh?
this? Oh, this 4 to 7. Oh, grades,
Okay.
that's grades 4 to 7.
Yeah, so find the,
Vic, you are still the most organized guy I've ever met in my life. You have all this
find it
stuff
in here.
printed
This
out.
is my key on what volume I need for what.
that's the only way you
Basic.
can use this stuff, if you don't have that kind of reference here.
We got geometry, we
Yeah,
got
why don't we-
biology.
Let's change it to geography. That's something everybody could play.
Yeah, we've all heard of some of these places.
Yeah.
Not all of these places, but some of these places.
Where is Outer Slovovia?
Right next to Inner Slobovia.
Please find Yugoslavia.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
There's a lot of places in Plato that don't exist anymore, like Yugoslavia.
8.15299.
I saw a meme recently that was,
So
there's still
650
plenty of tread on these tires.
642
And the picture,
beneath
it says
that.
made in
Geography?
Yugoslavia.
Biology.
652
Yeah.
to 657 there. So we want volume,
That's all. Yeah, here.
Volume, is it 8?
Oh, yeah.
does one say vowel
Should have
there?
that on.
This,
Or is it on?
Volume
Volumes?
652 to 6.
okay, 652 is what we'll start with.
We do not want biology. That's too hard.
Wait, is that floppy disk issue?
I took biology the senior year too. Oh, that's when I dropped physics. I took biology. And we all cheated.
Yeah.
Is this still record?
Yes.
Did you still dissect the food?
I always thought we were gonna learn about sex in biology, and we never did.
If
We
your
learned-
parents didn't teach you, you're never gonna learn. Or if you
Well-
didn't learn it on the mean streets, you're
All I
never gonna
learned
learn.
is- Yeah, I just learned how plants did it, And
Okay, here you go.
Scottish did it, I didn't give a damn.
Grab the hot seat.
Play-Doh. Question.
Me?
Yes. Just watch out for this tangle of cables. and
Show us what
everything
you've learned here.
When we get out of the way.
Social studies. Geography. Program package, geography. Curriculum.
Let's do,
Jump right in, do a location drill.
yeah,
Reminds me of ET at sea. You
Yeah.
gotta navigate the
Figure it
oceans.
out, yeah.
Somebody gonna read it?
in this drill, select the correct answer and press the letter to mark your
There
choice.
should be some sort of
Press enter.
disclaimer, do not play this game when stoned or
Is
something.
that
Swano Island is located in the column C at 30 degrees north latitude and 120 degrees west longitude.
Calm sea.
Its capital city is River City and its only shipping port is Port Petrie. Press enter to study the map. Press enter again to answer the question about it.
Isn't River City from the music band?
Yeah, they got trouble there, cause.
River City, Port River, River.
Swano Island, Swano Island.
Are we really supposed to know where, I don't even know where
You're
this
supposed to
is.
read and comprehend.
Press enter, you'll find out.
It might be
River
fictional,
and sea is the Red River.
and it's just running you through the paces.
Telling you what a river and a mountain is and a.
Oh, okay.
But look at the
Calm sea
graphics.
north.
I mean, who needs,
There's mountains.
4K graphics for this kind of stuff? I think they did a
The
great
mountains
job.
are 26 miles south. The description is complete? No, the description is missing a reference.
B.
No, the description
Yeah,
is
south of
missing
what?
the
Yeah.
direction. B, good. Terrific.
John, let us know when, we're ready to move on.
Is this a complete description? The mountains are about 45 minutes from River City. Sounds right.
No, it's missing a direction now.
Oh,
Now it's 45 miles from, but it's north, south, east, west.
We're
Oh,
20
okay.
we're 25 minutes over.
Okay.
Good work.
oh,
We're having fun.
I'm just answering a
Is
question.
this a complete, the beginning
Well,
of
that's why
the
we're all here
Green
together
River
with
is
this little
42
machine.
miles
It's so much fun.
northeast.
northeast of what? It's missing a reference.
Did Plato
right?
Yeah.
reintroduce itself for online for people to use?
No, it
it?
started out as an
Description, the
online
mountain on-
system of learning. I think they
Islands are
licensed
south
it
of
for
the
the
desert.
TI
Mhm.
specifically.
But did they re-announce that, hey,
Mountains
we're
are
out
south
here?
of the.
Well, I mean,
Well,
there
that's
is-
right,
there
isn't it?
is-
I mean, that one was,
That's right to me.
yeah.
Something that owns it now, but there are
Oh.
two
This description is
communities,
missing
or
distance.
one community and
How far-
one service that
Or
is
get it
hobbyist.
wrong.
Uh-huh.
We
The
know it's
community
south, but we don't know how
being,
far.
Yeah.
Cyber One, which
Or
is
it could be
basically a
southeast,
community of
southwest
old
of River
people
City.
and people of
Same thing,
interest
right? You know,
for the old Plato
It's got the
system that runs
direction.
today. And then there's
Oh, the
another one
distance
called
of this.
Irata
Same
Online,
question.
which was an
They're all the
attempt
same question
to
all the time.
re-implement better
Desert
Plato
is
terminals.
about 45
um,
miles from River
guys,
City.
I think we're
Um,
online, we're totally.
Talking over one another.
So,
So let's keep it to one conversation.
yeah, that'll be,
Direction.
that'll be a demo here.
All right, I think we're done anyway, because we're over.
It's about 45 miles from River City. It's missing a direction,
Yeah.
so you
Yeah.
can see.
That's what we got. And then River City is located in the
Ah.
miles east of.
I'd go with it anyway. Yeah.
No, is it, oh yeah, northeast, yeah. Yeah, that
That's
seems
east.
right?
Oh, it looks like.
Finally, we got it complete.
It's free also.
We only have to-
Please hold all conversation until the end.
Location of
There'll be a
Complete.
I don't remember seeing the description of the location. Did I blink or?
No,
Does anybody online
This
have
must be
a
a bug.
comment?
I'm done with talking about
Wrong.
online.
I just guessed. You have completed this drill, you have 6 out of 8 correct on the first try.
Good for you.
Yeah.
You get a C.
So,
Show and tell.
That me?
It's you. Unless everybody has stuff to show and tell. You wanna show us one of your gym shoes, Jim? Or Dick, or Hal, whatever your name is?
All right.
The only thing I can think to do is is a game I haven't played in, say, I've been 75 years. And that was
Careful.
Doctor, and I'm not gonna show and tell today, no.
Who has seen Terror of the Autons from Doctor Who?
That sounds familiar.
All right, first three get.
Oh, no.
Ah,
Oh,
yes,
yeah, flower.
plastic flowers,
I know how this goes.
Oh, yeah.
and then we are all going to be attacked.
Sniff, sniff.
Does anybody else want one?
Not after that reaction to getting them.
Not sure what this is going, I'm not a doctor.
Oh, wait, look.
The Autons were trying to figure out how to kill humans with a 4-inch by 4-inch flat
Is that
piece
one of
of
those things you gave me?
flexible plastic.
If it is, I've seen
And
it.
it would jump out of the flower
official
and
Dr.
cover
Who
their
props?
nose and their mouth.
No, they're just
And it was
regular.
sticky, so they couldn't get it off without a
Ooh.
sonic screwdriver.
Okay,
Oh, wow.
that's a different direction.
Ah,
than
yes.
we'd go.
Very disturbing.
What about him now? What is he doing?
No, don't show it to Hal.
This is from an episode of Doctor Who,
Don't
and he
show it to
basically
Hal.
comes to life when it gets warm.
A living plastic
Yes.
doll
And
Oh,
it-
yes.
to menace humanity.
I thought it was made of chocolate.
Is that like a
I know
homunculus?
him. The
Is
outcomes
that- That's the guy from South Park. What's the guy,
No, he was,
Plastic
he was,
fan.
I know.
he was an Uber driver. We got
Mr.
last
Hankey?
year.
This Mr. Dave, is that Mr. Hankey?
He's not wearing a hat, Santa's hat.
Hi-ho.
It's not Mr. Hanky.
That's not Mr. Hankey?
No.
Anyway,
Maybe-
Mr. Hankey's father.
Maybe he inspired the creation of Mr.
I
Hankey.
swear he's driving an Uber.
but I got him from England, from the UK on eBay. They get custom made, he's rubber. He's pretty heavy. So, I think he'll just hang out with us the rest of the meeting.
Does he squeak if you squeeze him?
No,
Oh.
but he does
So
stand.
when are they gonna turn that into
Maybe.
a?
And why did you buy him?
Pretty
Because
soon.
he's from Doctor Who,
Oh,
it's
oh.
a replica prop from an episode.
Okay.
All right, Moo, wouldn't you like that on the mantle?
Wouldn't you
It
like
would
that?
fit. I
Wouldn't you
mean,
like
it
that
would
on?
be-
Wouldn't you
it would
like that
fit
on
right
your?
in.
I could put it, you
Put
could
it on
that
the
my daddy on
chest
the
of drawers in your bedroom,
Yeah.
facing the bed.
I'd be scared to death.
I just wondered how much you paid for shipping.
My buddy would never come out and eat.
So, I gotta ask this, I mean, so you saw this online, you're like, I've gotta have that.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's gonna fall over.
it's the replica I had to have. It's my favorite one. But anyway, he runs around killing people.
Yes, it looks very much like that would be his thing.
Has he been checked?
How did that one suspenseful scene go? They turned on the fireplace and it came to life and was menacing people until they turned the gas fireplace off and.
Yeah, well, with him, they gave him a prototype of him to this older guy, that owner of the factory. The master threw it in his back seat. So while he's driving away, he turns the heat on, and this guy gets
Oh.
up in the back seat, and then he turns the heat off, so he goes back down. But anyway, he brings him in his house, and he comes to life because he turns the fireplace on, and
This was
basically,
a movie, right? Trilogy of Terror?
TV
With Karen
series.
Black, this is the
No, it
little,
wasn't the Zuni doll.
I know what you're
no.
talking
the
about.
little devil doll?
That was great though.
no, I know what you're talking about too, but.
Yeah, that was just like the book.
Yes,
Okay, so-
She smiles and her teeth are sharp.
You should just face it outward for the people that come by.
Yeah, that'll be good,
That won't cause any problems.
no, not at all, man.
That was it.
Oh.
I have another one next month I'll bring.
Another doll or another?
No.
I won't
Another
be
prop.
here next month, so,
Yeah.
You're gonna
Remember
go
your
leave,
prize
right?
from the game?
yeah, we're snowbirds.
I thought you were gonna
I think
go
it was Daily
already
Mail.
over Christmas.
Somebody
You're-
was
you're still
messing
going,
around with
so-
an AI robot.
I was gonna ask you how it
They kissed
was,
him
but
in
you
the-
haven't gotten there yet.
Yeah. no,
Anybody
no,
else
we're
has
all
anything
too-
for
we're all
show
too
and tell, or-
careful these days.
Show and tell, last call.
I can show you my hat, my lovely hat. Ever see my lovely red hat? There we go, that's my, oh, and my brand new.
Man
brand new
purse?
Bag from.
Man purse, it says man
Audubon.
purse.
Audubon, yeah, my man purse from
that
Audubon.
Ireland?
No, that's from
Man
the
bag.
Audubon
Man bag.
Society. This is, you can take it out in the woods and you have your bird book and your binoculars in there and your lunch.
Yes, come and visit the
think
Chicagoland
my
area
wife
and
has-
Hal will
has
take you
that.
out into the woods.
I think my wife has that, Hal. Yeah.
There
got the
is-
same- she
there
got the
is-
same
there is
purse
an
as you.
area
Is it
that
Bussy
goes
Woods
there
supposed to be the
with,
one where you go?
She's got the same purse.
Yeah, isn't
Wouldn't be
that?
surprised.
Okay, what do we got next? We got game demonstration number 2. And let's see, who's doing it this time? Oh, Victor.
I am, oh,
Victor, it's you again.
Back to the
Alright.
hot seat.
well, I'll switch the view to the console.
Can you smell that? The air came on, there's a perfume aroma.
That's hell.
What's that?
That's hell. He smells your perfume. It came
Oh.
out of your man purse.
Also,
That's,
this squirts, I think that X-Men, the movie X-Men stole from Doctor Who, because what this does is these robots would be handing these out on the streets to people, and since these are plastic, they come alive and they basically squirt like a film over your mouth and you can't breathe, and the goal was to kill everybody on the planet by passing out these plastic things.
Yeah,
Where do you put the water in these?
they're,
They're heat up.
back in the sixties, there
Sounds
were a
like
lot of
David
girls in
Goggins.
San Francisco
Yeah,
doing the
that's
same thing.
Well, I
They were
think that's the
passing out-
inspiration for the episode, the flower power movement.
I got in a lot of trouble by putting a daisy in the barrel of my rifle when I was marching along. And in the army, I wasn't even thinking about it, I just done it, accidentally. And got to the end of this march, and the sergeant was standing there with his hands on his hips looking at me. I had no idea what the hell was going on, but everybody was moving away from me. And then the whole damn platoon was pushing on Kentucky for a while as a result of my flower. And of course, that made me extremely popular.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, with all my teammates.
Blanket party later in the day.
Yeah, we didn't talk much.
Did you
after
party
that.
like it was 1999?
I was very glad that it was on a Friday, so we had the Saturday off, so I could get the hell off. Post.
Yeah.
ah,
I think you demoed this one before.
I think
oh,
I've seen this, yeah,
Looks nice.
looks great.
It looks great.
yeah, this is the one where, the doors open
Oh, yeah.
and you'll see either a customer.
This is
Or
where I
a
fire the
bank
light
robber.
gun. I fire the light gun.
Yeah, so does this actually have light gun support?
I don't know if this does. I don't think so, but you can go with joystick or you can go with the keyboard.
Like 1, 2, or 3, right?
Yeah,
I like a light gun. Remember Duck Hunt on the Nintendo?
mhm.
I always wanted.
When did they stop making those toy
I
guns?
always wanted one of those. I bought one and it never worked.
They don't work anymore.
Yeah, you need you need a rasterized display or some other technology like the, what am I thinking of? The Nintendo Wii kind of gets around that by having a separate motion sensor that is external to the television.
They sell though.
I thought the way it worked though, because I remember with Duck Hunt.
Well,
Nintendo-
Duck Hunt's a little different because it's got a cadmium sulfide cell in it, so it's not really a light pen as we know it.
Well,
But
no, that's
what it
not
would
what I'm
do is
talking
it would-
about.
What it would do is it would brighten a square area on the
Right,
screen.
the screen would, but why wouldn't that still work on like a?
That one, the Pixel Blaster might still work if, provided the light output on the display is high enough to do that, the brightness
Right,
in
I
that
see, because I
area.
remember looking at it real close and the screen would blank out and all you would see where the duck was like a
Right,
white square.
and you could actually trigger the Pixel Blaster with a flashlight.
Mhm.
But when you pull the trigger and you shine a
like a
flashlight
winning-
down the barrel,
I'm trying to
it'll
hook it up
register
to a
ahead.
joystick here.
There's people on eBay who sell new light guns for modern TVs
Yeah.
for like $300.
Yeah.
That it's like it's.
Well, I
got a
mean,
little converter.
I think the B solution is pretty elegant in the sense that it's got a, photodetector and IR light emitting diode in it, and
Mhm.
I think it's got a detector, light emitting diode in the, like a regular remote control would have, and then I think it's got separate IR detectors, 2 of them, in a thing that sits in front of the television set, so it can
I wonder
figure out
about- Remember
angle.
the Microsoft, the Xbox 360 where it had the, what was that adapter for the motion?
Give us more
adapter.
cache adapter.
No, it had a thing that sat on top of the TV, the bar.
The LiDAR.
Oh,
Yeah,
like a
and that's
LiDAR
sort of
thing.
how the Nintendo Wii was, that it basically, not necessarily a LiDAR thing, but it's basically, I think, 2 IR detectors
Well, let me ask you this.
distant.
I have an LG OLED, and the remote control works just like the Wii.
Mhm.
I go like this and it points to a little thing,
Yeah.
is that just, and there's no, it might be
There's
something built in.
infrareds built into the
Yeah, there
TV.
might be
TV,
infrared
yeah.
detectors somewhere on the TV. Well, a lot of them, a lot of modern TVs have infrared cameras on them that they use for doing viewing metrics, that they can detect if you're looking at the display. They might not be able to get a photorealistic
Big Brother's
picture of
watching.
you.
Does anybody
Yes.
remember the Zenith, the light gun that you had to change channels on the old Zenith TV?
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
57 or so.
I remember the Sonic one, what was
Yeah,
that?
there
The
were
clicker.
different clicks, you know, audible
This was
clicks.
an actual gun, you had to point it at the TV.
I would be at
did
my
a
friend's house
flashlight.
with his train
Yeah,
set and the little
but it
things
only
that
went,
connected the
if you started
tracks.
at channel 2,
You could
you
drive
could
it
go
on
all
the
the way
floor.
up. If you wanted to get
Yeah, because it was channel up, channel down
Yeah,
kind of thing,
channel-
yeah.
I just had to go in a circle.
My old man came home from work from the police department, he was, you know, he had a few pops and then he pulled the thing out, he shot a hole right in the
Okay,
screen.
Victor, would you like to tell us a
I
little
guess he
more about
grabbed
the
the
game
wrong
you're
gun.
playing?
Gun there.
It's like that poor woman up in Minneapolis.
I never cleared.
We
I
figured
I
out
waited
a
2 years
shot
playing
guy,
laser
you know?
tag.
Hey, this would be Centipede, I remember from the trivia,
Yeah,
with the mushrooms,
Yeah.
Mushrooms.
it was the one Vic got wrong.
Are you using a trackball or are you,
I think he's
You're
using
supposed to
I
have a
actually
circle.
bring in a trackball for the TI
yeah,
that I got some time ago
a trackball is the best way to use, to deal with
to
this game.
lose, yes.
Yeah.
Missile command,
Is that for us to
Centipede,
keep? I thought it was a prop, I thought it was a prop that you wanted back.
Actually, I have two trackballs at home. One is a TI trackball and the other's an Atari trackball. Okay, who else wants to try? I got 3,624.
Kyle.
Makes it look like it's dead.
I'll get a shot.
Okay,
Kyle's our official tester.
When in doubt, just say Kyle.
I'll say Kyle.
there you go.
And if it's not Kyle, then it's me.
Kyle, I got a flat, where's Kyle?
Yeah.
Hell.
3624 is what's.
Yeah.
I really like these controllers. The cookie.
Yeah,
monster.
they were recommended as the best of the bunch.
I already asked her, she said she didn't want it. Good, no.
I don't have another snickerdoodle.
Yeah, have them all, please.
Who here is
I
playing
need that
laser
stuff up,
tag?
cause
Out of curiosity.
I used to play paintball.
Or
I only played it
Photon,
once.
if you remember that.
I played it once and it was the most concentrated, intense fun game I've ever played.
What game?
Laser tag.
Oh,
They
yeah.
used to have a place.
Well, that was
in,
Photon out in, wasn't laser tag, it was a different branded thing.
Well, it was laser tag. It was near maybe Pier. I forget. It was in a mall.
Well, the thing near Navy Pier was the Battletech Center, which was not laser tag, but it was a Battletech simulator. Out in Palatine, there was something called Photon, which was a laser tag-like game,
Oh,
except they
yeah.
provided you with the entire set of hardware and battlescape.
That's the only thing I haven't played.
Hey,
is
let's do it.
paintball.
All right, well,
Long
I think
gone.
high score.
Did you guys play paintball?
The
No,
I do.
Atari soft games from the TI are the best.
That's a good
Just
one.
like the
got
arcade,
enough of
the
combat
Pac-Man,
games in the army. and
Centipede,
I
pole
remember thinking to
position,
myself one night,
Moon
we were
Patrol,
assaulting a hill.
they're all excellent
practice.
games.
And I kept thinking to myself, this is absolute suicide. We are all gonna die. The guys at the top can throw down grenades. They can see us, we can't see them. They're in foxholes up to their shoulders. And we're running up the side of the hill with bayonets and shooting blanks. And, you know, they're
Here,
blowing.
try the pole
at
position.
us. And
Now
I
you know
thought,
what now you know how the South called it, Gettysburg.
I haven't played pole position since, I think it came with Windows
Are we
98.
doing this? I mean,
Oh, here, I'll get a
this is
shot.
crazy.
I forgot
I
about
mean,
this game.
Didn't
Did it-
God invent
Windows 98 I
artillery
think
for
came
this
with it,
purpose?
and that's where I
You got
used
a
to
hill
play
over
it
here
when I was a
that
kid.
The bad guys are holding.
I don't remember.
You got B-52s, you
See
got
if it's
artillery,
as I
you got
remember.
naval-
I think your
Oh,
left
you change
shoulder
the
is
level
messed
too,
up.
and start on the Harvard
You gotta
level.
climb up the damn hill, you know,
Snicker.
die.
Pole position.
Anyway,
Prepare to qualify.
here we go.
Your left shoulder is messed up.
Yeah,
That's
that's
it, no
average.
wonder you can't win this game.
Oh, I gotta go forward, not the button, okay.
That's-
We gotta change gears, you got high and low. You're in high gear, that's why you're going so slow.
faster you go, quicker you can crash.
How many gears do I have? Just two?
It's cool.
It's a power glide.
I've never seen Purple Mountains before.
Purple Mountain Manuscript.
Quit
about
reading
the-
my mind.
Yeah,
That's a pretty good thing.
Yeah.
what about the paint? I meant to say paint.
This is worse than US 41.
What's the difference between pink and purple? Your grip.
At least there you can dodge them. On the Eden's Expressway, you can't dodge them.
I heard you were the Dodge champ.
That's good.
Did you win?
Prepare to race.
Qualify.
Oh, what was that? That was just to warm you up?
Just qualify.
Qualifying
qualifying.
run. If you're not fast enough, then you can just go home.
Oh, this is good, yeah. Oh, this is the end.
Yeah, what's the one where if you don't go fast enough, the ambulance reruns you from behind? I
Oh,
hated
that's not,
that.
that's not Spy Hunter. Is that the one where you crash, you go off to the side of the
Oh,
road?
I was in low gear that whole time.
No, it just rear-end me. You know, I figured I'll play it safe. I won't try to pass anybody. I'll see how long I can play this. And it was about 12 seconds.
I know what you're talking about. I'm trying to remember the name.
Yeah. That sounds very familiar. Cause that's something I do in these type of games, I try and play it safe. And they always put something in there to throw you off. Oh, look at that.
Flames. Crash and burn.
Yeah. That's a
How many
big
lives
crash.
do you get in the game?
I think it's infinite in this one, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
It's just your time will get destroyed.
I think you have to at least place in order to continue.
You gotta make it to the certain start line to
Yeah.
get more time, right?
Yeah.
That's how the game used to be on the arcades, unless you put another quarter in.
Yeah, because that's how they keep you
Yeah,
from
cheerful
playing one
finishing
game all
in there.
day long.
Yeah.
Right.
But there has to be an objective.
So I think on the fair disc, you also have the bin files of my entire final ground card here.
But Kyle, you have been, don't yours, no, yours don't do Ben files, do they?
Well, both the Flash
Flasher.
ROM 99 does use a form of bin file,
Mm-hmm.
and but so does the Final GROM. But the Final GROM can simulate GROM memory, whereas the Flash ROM 99 only simulates memory mapped memory.
And then, so anyway, yeah, on the final ground, it has, it's nice, it's got multiple levels, where the original Flash ROM 99 couldn't do GROM cartridges. And, which is pretty much, you could only do, third-party cartridges. I don't know if you could do the 32K cartridges or not. Some stuff like Miner 2049er was a sidecar that plugged in the right side of the console. And people went like, well, what's this? Well, it had the 32K in it.
Yeah,
And that and,
I'm surprised people didn't pry the ROMs out just to use it as a cheap 32K upgrade.
yeah, the, what was the other one? The Outer Space Battle. It wasn't Cygnus. It was something like that. It was an Outer Space Battle. It was a sidecar also. So here's pretty much all the TI stuff. Amazing Adventure, Alpiner, Angler, Dangler, the fishing game. Aperture is difficult. I don't know if you've
Oh, we
ever
played that. I
seen that.
demoed it.
Oh, okay,
I love that game.
yeah.
Can I ask a dumb question? On my Flash ROM 99, I can't get that billiard and breakout to play. Any idea why?
It might require GROM.
There's no such thing as dumb questions, only dumb people.
Okay, so what letter is that billiard and breakout? Is K?
Okay,
Not all these files work, I'm sorry to say.
the one I have does
4th
not.
of July.
Fin de Jew?
Ju- I think that means July.
I sure wish, instead of those damn pictograms, that they would put just the word men on the door.
Oh, I know. I got
It'd save me a lot of
Well,
embarrassment.
this is working.
Yeah, this is.
Did you walk
Yeah,
in
so it might be that either it's maybe a
Well, just simply
32K
say that I was
bin
wondering where
file,
all the
and it might
urinals
not
are
run on
going.
a
There's a
Flash
Burger
ROM
King,
99, or it might have GROM in it.
where
So,
the male
on
figure
the
on the doors
thirty-two
like
K, me
this.
turning on my pad, that's not gonna affect.
No,
that.
what I mean
the
is a
one that says
32K GROM
men,
space,
women,
bank
children,
switched GROM, excuse me,
LGBTQ+.
bank switched
Oh,
ROM.
Where is he?
It may not
Read this
simulate
lingo?
that size ROM.
Can I read it?
Okay.
Hal, read this, Hal.
Well, actually,
It's
you
French.
could take your phone and, use Lens or
Use
something.
video.
I'll read it.
Was it the who-
Hostes vo uno
No.
montre e cadran.
One or two.
No, it's trouvé en une pour.
There, Garcon, how about some more of that pear pat?
That's what I said.
Yeah.
I minored in French.
There's
but I
people
could-
looking at that thing.
I could.
Supposed to turn it
Well,
around in the other
I
direction.
just don't remember what they mean.
It's, I think it's like,
I
do you
can
have
speak
what
more
it
on French, but
takes?
that's about it, you know.
Name of, first player, name of second player, okay.
Social, vêtements, you know.
Yeah.
Directions 0 to 60, huh? A lot of times they give you compass directions of the full 360, you know, 0 to 359.
My Greek is.
I'll go with 45. Force, let's do it, force of 5.
What is it supposed to do?
It's a billiard game.
Oh,
Oh,
So
You
if you
know-
actually struck the ball at a square angle, oh, that's an interesting,
Magnetic billiard.
Direction would be, let's go with 30. And a force of 3. Whoops.
Oh, so it's clock based.
Okay, so it works, at least on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it.
Mine just spins, so yeah.
well, it's
must be
clock
live.
based in the sense that it's 0 to 60, not.
is this the one?
So is it
where you get
radians, or you're
working?
calculating your angles in radians?
Oh. Okay, so 2 would be, 230, 30 to 60.
It's a clock, so you're on ball 1, so you wanna hit like 57.
Yeah, I put like 3, so it went north,
Mhm.
but, here, let's go 60. So 60 straight north.
Yeah, so think of a minute hand on a clock.
Yep.
Okay,
So
1 or
30 would
60
be,
is straight north.
so 30 would be south.
Yep.
So the
Yeah.
direction we want to
You
go
want-
left.
You want a 45, or you want a.
Yeah, like 47 or something like that.
There you go.
At least it's not facing outward, that would barely cause us problems.
Okay, well, I'm sure if we could have read the instructions, it would have made,
More sense to us?
I
yes,
wanna do about
Call it counts or
15.
something.
I'm going to something else.
What's that one?
Yeah, so anyway, here in my final GROM, we've got Atari Age, we got Batory, yeah, this is the original, like, Batory collection from 15 years ago. We got various cartridges for collections, we got classic games,
Everything today.
which is for a DOS, for a flyer, we've run that, we've run Ambulance, Ant Colony, Anteater, Arcturus. Arcturus, was that a,
I mean, right down, in the last 30 years, we've probably run everything.
By the way, how long have you been in the entire town?
Especially when there's no record.
5.5 years now.
My favorite.
Oh, budget management.
Retired
I
55.
told John I was
I
gonna
got
do
an excellent son, and he was 45 years old.
It's usual.
What's wrong with household budget?
Well, they changed it, and you
Nothing,
leave it.
nothing, man. I
Earlier,
use it
like,
for
they
years.
don't pay for health insurance. So they're paying for health
The one
insurance.
Yeah, we
that
should
you
do
never
that.
throw out is the stock market.
so these all seem to be actually on the same plane? You don't go up or down, you just go left or right.
And she was very disappointed.
I am not a fan of this type of move. It takes me forever to adjust.
Yeah, that's what usually happens. They all do that. You have to be out.
I know, Arcturus was like never released when they first came out. And somebody must have finally finished it up. Oh yeah, here we go. Ouch.
A little more Zaxxon, Mike.
Yeah.
I got a version of
Like
this.
81 or something like that.
Where you have to fly under
It was retired for
the,
quite a long time.
but it wasn't called Arcturus, it was something else.
Zaxxon?
It was a long, slow, you had,
Let's see now, games A to M, games O, press O here.
What is homebrew?
People's homemade games.
Oh.
Saint Nick. I had the devil of a time getting Saint Nick to run, and it turned out that my F-18 had version 1 firmware. And after I upgraded it to version 2, then Eric and Monsterland and Saint Nick ran just fine.
What is, yeah,
I was looking for Zero Zap.
Somebody texted me, I don't know their number, and I said, hey, what's
Here's
up,
that
old
screen you were
man?
asking,
I
Sky
got
was
the
Slam
same
what
one.
is
on.
Sorghum too?
Yeah.
Sorghum
I wrote
2
back
is an
to that
interesting
I wrote hi.
It's gonna say
organ
sorry,
game.
wrong number, this is Elaine, what's your name?
So you got lowercase letters, you got uppercase letters, you got chords, your volume.
Zero click vulnerability.
I asked the programmer once, where was Sorghum 1? And he says, well, a lot of times, there is no Sorghum 1, there was a game called Sorghum that might have been for a game console.
I explained to
And then when they started porting it out to computers and
and
other stuff, it came out with Sorghum 2. So there would be no.
So what do we have here, Vic?
Well-
Each time, that they never call again.
It's an organ.
Every month. And, what it is, my son's car. I have the same.
Can you play music on it or something?
S, B, F, G, H, J, K.
Looks like it's doing chords.
Well, you can only, see, put A, B, C, D, E, F, G is all you can
I'll tell
do.
you that.
Now, where do you get F and all, I mean, where do you get all these other,
Bahamas.
it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G is the,
Well,
are
here's-
the keys on the
Yeah.
piano or on the organ.
X.
I got one of those
X.
like yours, like the
It
A.
must be
C.
low.
Well, here, we're just running left to right across the keyboard, using QWERTY computer keyboard. Okay.
Get out.
You see so much of that stuff like especially in the big cities.
What a
Obviously,
wonderful, what a wonderful, wonderful world we live in, you know?
Yeah.
I just, that's one of the reasons I don't carry a gun. If I carried a gun, honest to God, I'd have been in prison that dang me years and years ago.
So keyboard music game, not a game as such as the keyboard game.
More like a demonstration of
Yeah, I
Let's run it
little
again.
cards.
doing chords on.
So I press the Edit key, and then I press, oh, here we go. Octave up, octave down, volume, voice select, mode. So I was pressing the numbers.
He's doing a demo and nobody's.
I'm
Should we be
listening.
listening?
I'm
You're
listening.
listening online.
They're listening us to 6 conversations going on.
Hey, Vic,
It's that time of the day.
Vic, are you comparable to Liberace?
The
But I
digital
used to watch his show,
liberality.
because he was fun.
Oh,
He was always smiling and
What's
happy, and
homebrew is teaches you how to do
Oh, here.
beer, make beer?
No, I think it's just a reference to a
these are homemade
non-commercial,
programs.
Oh.
a
Like
non-commercial
remember
game or
Hell's
cartridge.
Hall from,
we put
Pixel
some
Pete.
and stuff.
did Hell's
Didn't happen a
Hall.
lot.
And Jet Set Willie, I think that's called the most difficult game to play, because you're Jet
The
Set
bathroom,
here.
huh?
What makes some
Oh.
jet
You
set?
can jump.
Don't let them spoil it.
Yeah, of all the things to be in the room, like.
You collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people?
What?
Yes,
I
this is,
think that's your timer.
Oh,
That's, maybe something happens when all of them get to the end of the screen.
this is very demanding on
How do you get away from it?
how you have to jump And you gotta watch out for stuff that.
Spinning
wants to
razor
splash
blades.
you.
Yeah, the razor blade, that, reminds me of working for Gillette in London.
This would be assembly line?
Crazy place.
Oops,
Oh,
I ran
right
into the
into
razor
the
blade.
Let's not
Hey,
use
Dave.
it.
Thank you.
What in the hell is that thing on the bottom
I
there?
think it's a Swiss Army knife.
Uh-huh.
What the hell?
So cool.
Looks like a spinning, oh, that, yeah.
Razor blade?
Oh, the
And here,
the
you
thing that
gotta,
looks like a bug, I think is supposed to be a pocket knife.
yes, and you can't confront the wife standing in the bedroom door until you accomplish a task.
I think that should be your show and tell for the rest of today, yeah, pass it
That
around.
was Jet Set Willie. Other stuff in homebrew,
That's amazing.
Jetpack, Tonight
Only
War.
3 forests had to be
Night War, I
burned
think
down to
that was an
make that.
interesting
That's why my
top-down
comments
or
were $300
three-quarter perspective.
Choking me to death.
Which one is this one? No,
Night War.
Night Lord.
Okay, make this one the last one, because we're over.
Okay.
As long as everybody agrees.
One of these you, it might be this one,
Oh, I like this one.
Oh, that looks cool. What is this called?
Night War.
I never saw this.
Yeah, I've seen this on the Coco.
What was the game that Tercy did?
When the sun sets, he turns into a
Werewolves and
werewolf.
Wanderers?
Right,
Werewolves in London. that's-
No, it was Werewolves and Wanderers, I think.
Yeah, it reminds me of that.
Or maybe it's Wanderers and Werewolves.
Is he trying to go through a doorway or what?
yeah, it might be I'm using the
Whoa,
wrong
what
happened?
joystick
Turned into a
for this
werewolf.
game.
Oh.
The sun set and the moon came out.
Yeah, see, there's the moon in that window there on the bottom.
Aha. So does he get to bite people?
Let's see if he
No.
transforms.
No. No, wrong,
Yeah, I think he goes back to human
No, it
mode
was-
when the moon goes out of the finder.
That was a wolf. No, the person, yeah.
It stays
You gotta change back now.
Cool, cool.
The moon keeps coming out.
Yeah,
you can
full
jump
moon,
them.
full moon every other day. That's interesting.
Oh, by the way, I hope you guys saw last night's wolf.
Yeah, Wolf Moon, yeah, I didn't go out and look. It's too cold.
No, I didn't.
I saw
I
that.
didn't get to see it briefly.
Okay, it says open
And it was
floor, but
large and
unless
bright.
anybody have anything, or
I
before
have
we,
one question
What's
for
that?
open floor.
open floor?
Hal mentioned earlier a game called Legends that I haven't played yet. I
It's on
read,
it's on our webpage.
Zeros up?
uh,
Oh,
Legends,
yeah,
but
but zeros up.
I read just by chance recently online that there is a theory that the entire season 2 of Stranger Things is based on that game. And I figured I'd bring it up in case anybody watched that.
Where do you
wow.
see that?
What game?
So I was looking up, because my wife watches the show, I don't
Legends,
really
your
watch
kids
it.
played it to death.
So there's a lot of retro tech in the show, and I looked up to see if there's a TI that I had missed somewhere, and it
Yeah.
brought me to this Reddit of people saying season 2 is based on the game Legends for the TI-99.
Oh, okay.
Aha.
So
You know what, if you see that again, send it to me, or
Yeah.
take a screenshot, I'd
I'll
love
find it
to
and
see
send it
that,
to you.
yeah.
yeah,
I've never seen any of that show.
I've only watched the last few episodes because my wife was watching it recently, but I was
Yeah.
like, maybe someone knows better than me on that. That's all I.
My kids played that all summer long. I didn't get to touch my computer while they were awake.
Closing remarks for Hal.
Closing remarks. Oh. It's time to close.
Do you wanna get the
Where's it
national
close?
anthem?
Well, you know.
Time, gentlemen, time, as they say in Britain. Drink up, you've got 30 seconds. We have, a couple minutes before we get off the air to talk about things like the fair, which is coming up October the 24th, right here in downtown beautiful Evanston, or beautiful downtown Evanston. You take your pick. Please come, please bring brand new software, brand new hardware. Wally, please come and bring something to show and tell. Doesn't have to be Doctor Who, can be anything,
Anything.
everybody.
And Python kind of runs on the TI 9948 now.
Yeah, it would be nice if it was TI 99.4, yeah. Why don't you hold that up to the camera and show that?
No, I don't.
Oh, really quick, I bid it on eBay of a TI, the sketch thing.
Glad I didn't outbid you
It's a
last
sketch.
night.
Oh, you guys are bidding against each other?
I almost bid on it.
But there's no way, I don't know, I think it's what, 50 bucks, something really
It's
low.
like 25 plus 20
Yeah.
shipping and handling.
So what is this product?
It's the, Commodore uses it, Sketches.
Oh, like a koala pad?
Sketch?
Koala pad?
Super Sketch, I think.
Yeah,
You
that's
draw on it, it goes on
Yeah.
the
Right, it's a
screen.
drawing
Yeah.
tablet.
Yeah, I've got a Super Sketch.
Koala pad being the well-known one, but Super Sketch, yeah, that was also.
But I saw one that sold, and it was super high, so there's.
Well, the person that you were looking at, I don't think they had a TI 99 to test it, so I don't think they can say it works, but it probably works, and that's
Yeah.
why it's so much cheaper.
Yeah.
Do we wanna try that next month?
If I win the bid. I
Well,
don't
he's
know.
got
Well, I'll bring
one.
mine in.
He has one.
Oh,
Hal
yeah.
has a Super
That'd be
Sketch.
cool, because I was looking at the same thing, I'd like to see it in use.
Mhm.
I think I've still got it.
You can draw some happy
I know
trees.
I know it's sitting there. In fact, I think I've got two.
But you cannot draw dirty pictures, like boobs and stuff.
What, won't let you?
No, just
How does it know?
online, I'm saying.
We shouldn't know.
Oh,
Oh,
well, in
hell.
that case, I won't bring it in.
The speak and spell did that, didn't it? There were certain words that.
Nothing NSW.
Oh, come on, how many people here would put the terminology in there and make you say stuff?
You know, there's
Definitely
actually,
not.
Say,
in the state of Illinois, there's one civil servant at the Secretary of State's office who sits there and looks at applications for license plates.
Yeah, they just
And
released,
they have to make a decision on whether something is innuendo, or something is too sexy, or something is blatantly sexy, or something could be interpreted as being too sexy. And they have to do this for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Can you imagine having that job and seeing this stuff every single day and saying, yes, yes, no,
Right.
yes, no,
did you see the,
no, no.
Oh, they'll
Did you
say,
s-
hey Marjorie, I
yes.
got another.
Well, no, they
I
just
got another
released the list
Amy."
this year of rejected
exactly.
license plate.
did you see,
Oh, cool.
anybody see the Candid Cannon episode for the license plates? They went, they set up a guy at, California Department of Vehicles, and people would come and get their license plates. And they had a whole bunch of gag plates written out. And so they go up there and they'd say, okay, here's your plate, and you're filling the forms out, and one of them said twit. And the other one said, they had all kinds of stuff like, you know, I mean, nothing vulgar, but just stuff that people would never want to put on their car.
Right.
You're like, well, I don't really want to be twit. Well, this is what you've been assigned, I'm
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
It's
So
totally
it's on
randomly
YouTube, so
generated.
put, do Candid Camera,
Yeah,
License
but
plate.
where was that from?
I think it was from the 80s. You know,
It was
but
the
Susanna
newer-
Summers
It was
was
the
on it.
newer one,
It was the newer one, but go to
Revised.
YouTube and type in Candid Camera license plates,
Yeah, it's just,
and you'll,
it's just Susan's son.
I tried to submit Eat Me, but they denied it.
okay, we are doing the,
Yeah, this is the old say what program. So it'll say anything you type in.
Nothing vulgar.
Vulgar
Why
language.
does it say nothing vulgar?
That's a
I-
good point,
I
it's
would
a
think-
different language.
They give me
It's
the
just
turn of the
a-
speaker up.
Mhm.
What if you put like, 10 Ks in a row? Will it do a machine gun?
K.
How about saying Phuket, Thailand?
Well, guys, let's finish this up and then we can screw around off camera.
Put in you.
Any other closing words?
It won't say anything you type in.
So you guys, when's the next meeting, Hal?
Oh,
Good question. I have no idea.
Whatever the first Saturday is, I
Yeah,
already
first
booked
Saturday
it.
in February.
February 7th, I think? Is that this
That
first?
sounds right.
Yeah, February 7th, whatever the first Saturday of the month is.
That's asking a lot of an old
And
guy.
I will be bringing my unit, we'll have the cables going up there while the big screen.
Yes, Dave will be showing off his unit on YouTube.
Yeah, we're closing the official Chicago TI-94A social club.
Yeah.
And weight dropping society.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye for now.
You know,
Wait, we're doing the national anthem.
Oh,
We didn't show the flag.